Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Check. Well, on the RJ, stop it right now. Well, I stop it when I run the intro here. Stop it, RJ. We want somebody call me quick and tell me, oh, when the Glamour Way and Ricky Genius competition over Teardrop Sunday gone. Right? I want somebody call me right away. Somebody from New York call me right before we even start the show. We want to find out who win the Glamour Way and Ricky Genius outfit competition at the last Teardrops. Right? Deal from People's Choice, or IrieJam, or anybody who did attend. I need to know that right now. Okay, let me tell you the number. Just somebody just call. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. I need somebody to call me right now and tell me, because I know that drama you were with the from what day, you know. I know say with the drama you from what day. Right? Ricky Genius versus Glamour Way. Who are the wickedest dresser in terms of big selector, big people outfit, big people party selector? So I need somebody to call me right now and tell me. Can't ask none of the promoter them because them can't bias. Them can't bias. So somebody who was at the event, call me right now. Somebody who did their Teardrops Sunday gone, call me right now and tell me who won, so past tense, the competition best outfit between Glamour Way and Ricky Genius at the last Teardrops Sunday gone over Mingles. I need to know that. And in the meantime, I just want to know say mix up where I deal with tonight, you know. I just mix up, right? I'm not just calling with any mix up. I don't know, usually I have a topic where I juggle with and whatever. And somehow I say, yeah, but I'm telling all the while, once I have a topic, I do something for work, we can still call in, we don't mix up them. So somehow I beat me and say, you always use a topic and we have mix up where we can call in and tell you and all these things. No, we can still call in. We can still call in. All right, here the mix up here right away. We don't even run the intro yet. We soon run the intro for start the show, you know. Here the mix up here. You know, I said that man and a draft for that woman and thing and whatever. And them start, you know, a deal and all these things and so forth. One day, she have one dog named Golden Retriever. You don't know a Golden Retriever? Are some big, brown, pretty dog them. So she have one dog named Golden Retriever. She's American, you know, and him a Jamaican, and him a street man. So one day she go say to him, say, if him can be a dog. And the general, you know, original street man, the general say, no, I not do them things they still, you know, I not be a dog, you know. I not be a dog. I'm a Jamaican, I not be a dog. Which is incorrect. Jamaicans be a dog. Not like how them be a dog up here. We not bring dog in our bathtub and all them something there. And in a bath with them and a hug up with them and all them something there and a soap up with them. We not really be a dog, so. We put dog outside and, you know, soap them up and hose them down and whatever. But Jamaicans be a dog. Now, most Jamaicans that get to them don't be a dog. Uptown Jamaicans be a dog. Again, most country people Jamaican, but, you know, like, you know, lower socioeconomic status and thing. We not in other something that would be a dog like that. Right? Uptown people be a dog in them kind of, you know, in a bathtub and all them something. Well, somebody a call about the Glamour Way and something, RJ? Okay, well, because me need to know who win that thing there in between Glamour Way and Ricky Genius. So, the general tell her, I said, no, him not be a dog, because I read street man, you know, hot boy and all them thing there. Wear desert clocks and, you know, Louis Vuitton and all them thing there, whatever. So, him notice say, she kind of frowns, you know, and kind of get unfriendly and thing and whatever. But here we are going. He general say, sort out, turn up. Him and say, when I best sort out thing get. And anytime, from him tell her, say, him not be the dog, she start going a little way like, you know. Like she don't even have to send on anymore and all them things. Them say man are talk still in about, you know, like little malice a go on and whatever and thing and little friction there and all these things and whatever. So I'm just say, all right, you know, I give the dog a one beard, you know. And he carry the dog outside and thing and beard off the dog, get one hose, you know. And beard the dog outside, real ghetto Jamaican style, beard the dog outside and thing. And him say after him beard the dog, it just like it should transform and just start sending and I treat him like a king and whatever and thing and whatever, you know. And the next week again, no, 2 weeks him say, it's like every 2 weeks, you know. She want the dog beard every 2 weeks. So him kind of itch again and then she start frowns again. She now said out to him directly, you know. She just start frowns again and whatever. So I'm just put it one side and go beard the dog again. Cut long story short. Now, real bad boy from Jamaica. Kingston 13. I think, now Kingston 13 Gamma come from to RJ. Now Kingston 13 Gamma, I think Kingston 13 in come from to real general from Kingston 13. Now the man dep on a schedule. Him and a beard the dog every 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks, him a beard him girlfriend dog, golden retriever. You know them big pretty brown dog? Yeah. Every 2 weeks, him a beard dog right here now. And him a say, boy, him never really know say him with her, you know, start juggling thing them way there. But the man says a nice girl and, you know, him say from him beard the dog and thing, no problem no in a relationship, she treat him good. Boom! Just like that, she train him. Just like that, she train him. Now, me never say him no for beard the dog, you know. If him want beard the dog, him beard the dog. And me not say nothing wrong if a man there with a woman and this thing and make her happy. And then, you know, in order to make him woman happy, every relationship have its own little particulars, you know. And you have to know what make your partner happy. And him just happen to have a partner who she like when her man beard her dog. And the man adapt. Him is not a dog bearder, but him want to make him woman happy. So he might be a dog now. But in general say him not to make him brethren them know still, you know. Him tell me and me ask him permission to tell it. As I always do. Whenever anybody tell me anything, me tell him, say, yo, you know, so a nice little mix up this. Me can have your permission to say it on the radio. Some people will say no, because people will find out and thing. If them say no, me don't say it. But him give me permission to say it and thing. Right? People, what are some of the things you find yourself doing in relationships that you never know, say, if I before that relationship, you that take God off of the cross, say you wanna do them something. Right? Now, me know say enough of you are afraid to tell me some of the things, them, and that is all right. But I'm sure you can tell me some of the things, them, all right? So, that's one of the things we work with tonight. What are some of the things them you end up do in a relationship where before the relationship you that take God off of the cross, say, nobody would ever get you to do that? Don't afraid to tell me the something of them. Don't afraid to tell me the something of them. Because I know said enough of you in a relationship right now, you do things where before the relationship you take God off of the cross and you would never do it. Come on, I'm going to talk truth, people. Talk truth. Talk truth. Me know say no found I laugh to yourself right here. Yo, no found I laugh to yourself right here. What the boy Raga gone this up for man. Raga, hey. The boy I see man. Listen to me now. Let me say it again. No found right here now. Una do things in a relationship where before the relationship una swear blind say una would have never do them something there before. Yo, una know the condensed milk mix up. If you're TamFam, you have to know the condensed milk mix up. You know. Anybody who listen to Ragashanti, you know the condensed milk mix up. It's a famous sample mix up one woman call in and tell me. Right? Tell me. right? I mean, I forgot use code, so I forgot listen carefully if you know the famous TamFam. TamFam mean Tambourine family. TamFam condensed milk mix up, right? TamFamers know this already. So no phone I listen to the first one I go hear it. This is the mix up. So one woman there would want to shut out Jamaica, you know, bad boy, you know, real bad boy, you know, I think, you know, whatever, and thing and whatever. And think. So one day, you know, she go say to the general, say, yeah, them a do them thing, you know. So she kind of position down the general head and I push down the general head and then I tell the general saying, yeah, you know, chups it no man, just chups it no, chups. RJ, I was sweet yo. Yo, so she tell the general say chups it. Yo, a real gangster just came and say, hey girl, how you tell man for do? How you come and tell man for? And you tell man that again, hey girl. Hey, girl, don't even, hey, me shut you, hey. And the man just bring up beer violence. She said, sorry, me not do it again, The man get bring her and put her in her place and make she know, say, you don't ask the general for swipe. The general don't swipe round here, right? The general say, yo, when him in the house, I just upstairs him there. Him never go downstairs. If him need to leave the house, him jump through the upstairs window. Him not even walk go downstairs to leave the house. He general not in a nothing downstairs, right? He general say, here I go on. And my house this, but me never go in the basement yet. My girl, how we are come at? No, hey, man not go in the basement. Man a bad man not go in the basement. Leave that to puss who drive taxi up a Bronx. Yeah? You understand? So the general put her in her place. People you know say more than 1 year later. She said one time them a do them thing. And them a do them thing. And of course we're going to fix it up so you understand. So she said the general position her upon the edge of the bed, you know. And she said the man just goes up, bam, and take out the machine, you know. You don't know what we are talking about this. So take out him and sitting. And he rests it right beside her. And she said, he general just go on his knee. I read thing I tell you people, and all time from I can't tell you, somebody call in and tell you this. She said the general go on his knee. And I say a word. But him put the machine right beside her on the bed, you know, because she see the machine, she see the tool. And she said the general just put him on under the bed. And she said, when the general hand come up, is a tin of Betty milk. Open already, you know. Well prepared and open already, you know. And she said the general just hold up the Betty milk. And the general just lean the Betty milk and took some Betty milk in the something, you know. And you see after the general drop some Betty milk in something there. The general said to her, say, you see, if me ever hear anybody call my name and say me do this thing, I dead you dead. I dead you. And she said, no, me not tell man. And then the general just get to work. Because the man sweeten him thing. The man must do some research and somebody must tell him, say, yo, here I go and you could have a sweeten it, you know, because you understand the kind of high in some sodium content or salt content. I don't know what them tell him. But whatever them tell him, I think in general just get a condensed milk. That is an example of somebody doing something when swear saying whatever it is making change in mind. More than 1 year later, people are real thing me telling you anytime from I can't tell you, you know. Go on Facebook right now. Go up on the IrieJam 360 Facebook page right now. And you see if TamFamers on a post I tell me for 2 me attack. Right? TamFamers on the Facebook page right now. IrieJam 360 Facebook page. On a post I tell me if I 2 me attack. Yeah. Well, that's one of the all of fame mix up them. The man end up and do something when he swear he never would have do. Now, my fellow Jamaicans, my fellow Caribbeanites, many of us have been in that position, right? Where And it doesn't have to be anything spectacular or dramatic or, whatever. But, many of us, as we have grown and, a change of environment, a change of country, a change of culture. And we have removed ourselves from our one-dimensional existence. And many of us have expanded our behavior and given ourselves some allowances, some latitude in doing things differently or engaging in some activities that before we would have never done so. So I always say if we don't have any mix-up along them lines, we want to call in and tell with them in the night, you understand? See? Or any other mix-up we want to have. President not here tonight. Jordan not here tonight. My General RJ in the building tonight. RJ, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Papa, all right? Yo, people, summer coming already. Bombard. Yo, that summer you got at, some things I got go on that summer, I feel it already. I just think that this is going to be a very memorable summer. Me no know what, or if I'm a mama spirit, I tell me. But I think that this summer, 2022, summer of 2022, me I predict it. It's going to be one for the ages. This is going to be a memorable summer. Me just know it. Me just feel it. I don't know. But anyway, make we start the show with the regular thing right now. RJ, Kabila vibes, what my tambourine there? All right, make I turn up that something, whatever. All right. All right, big up all who having a summer body already. Big up who still at work on summer. I see one who in the classroom. Mitzi Brown Bird, some Mitzi a foundation. Okay, I don't know, Mitzi a juggle with Reggae and TamFam, yeah? Big up yourself. Pretty Punchy, big up yourself. Michigan, big up yourself. All right, Karen Fife. And Sydney, yeah? See the people in my place here now. Who else did it? Let me see who else did it. Christina Brown Sugar. Right? Cammy there. What, Cammy? Cammy, what going? All right. Cammy, you already have your summer body, so you don't have nothing to worry about. All right. Mariska, you have your summer body already. Mariska, one of them look a dainty lift up body there, mad something, No, you have some woman as you look on them, you want to lift them up, Yeah. Them just have that something there, you just want to lift them up. Yeah. All right. Big up on yourself and thing. All right, RJ, I'm ready, cause I could start the show the right way, You know, say, people are mad people time, Mad people time, Mad people time. Listen to me, throw away your inhibitions right, Right? Throw away your pretensions, throw away the masks that you have to wear in order to make yourself socially acceptable. I invite you now to be bold. I invite you now to push boundaries. I invite you now to exceed your peripheral limitations, right? I invite you now to make your life exciting by, to use a Star Trek phrase, boldly going where other people afraid to go. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, yeah. Don't worry about Bobby Clark and sin. Them understand the thing. Bobby knows so when me run my show, me run my show, And Bobby can't do me nothing, because I know all of the Obia man them and Obia woman at Jamaica. So Bobby Clark even try for whatever thing, me give him Bigfoot and make him walk on up. So Bobby Clark can't play with me. Bobby Clark, hey, listen to me. All right, RJ, run the intro, Oh, all right, yeah, use our remote. Oh, yeah! Here we go! Ragashanti live! Ragashanti live! Ragashanti live! How which boat ride I gonna run the place this summer? Let's go!
Mixup and Blenda time!
Hey!
I'm want to call and talk up the King there.
That's the reason I'm done with him, because I see the boy out there to get a beard with the same rock.
Well, the boy have you and the girl a beard with the same red rock?
Yes.
Well on. Stop this. Hold on. Stop this. Well on, RJ. Karen Fife. What are something that with Zell? Wait, what that? Well on, RJ. The person that on the IrieJam 360 page, I put down Zell number for Zell and cash up. You know who that? Eh? Current 5. You know who that, RJ? Yo, current 5, take off that. Take off that right now. Me don't know why you... A man and a woman. Current 5 is that woman, though? Eh? No, don't block them. Don't block them. Just... No, me gonna ask. No, don't block them. Me gonna ask them to take it off. Take it off. Current 5, take it off. A man and a woman, RJ? Current 5 is a man and a woman. A woman, right? So why they put Zelle or Cash App and put them number in it? Hold on them. Make I see something. Current 5, how are you do? Current 5, you're bright now. Hey! Woman, you're brighty. You're brighty. Send me money for dinner. Zelle or Cash App. Well, on the current 5, a front you come and sell on the people. Well, on current 5, a front you come and sell on the people. And I really go on the IrieJam 360 Facebook page. Current 5, well on it. Well on it. Current 5, a front you come and sell. So where you put it? Don't disrespect the program. Current 5, don't disrespect the program, okay? Don't disrespect the program. I can't believe a front you come here so I said on the IrieJam 360 page. And you start out probably pop down too. I don't even look. Listen, I just want to see her profile. How she look? Current 5, I owe you one bright, so. Put out the Facebook page and make me see her page, quick. Current 5, I owe you one bright, so. Come on the people upon the IrieJam 360 Facebook page and I put up Cash App and Zelle for what? I really front you come here so come and sell upon the people. My girl, you don't know how for sure you're upon. My girl, how you for do that and thing? I can't bet you your bathroom dirty and your place so stay well. Because anytime when the bright and go on them way. Hey! I want to the woman, man. Me say when me see this something, me shock out clock. Current 5, you really come here so come and sell Jojo? And you just put up, worse, you just put up the thing, you don't even tell me if you have a good headers or something or whatever. You just put up, you put up number for Cash App. You ready for collect and you don't even want to tell me where you want to collect for. You don't even make you know if your header's good or something. Or if you start out good or something. Or if you stay right. Current 5, don't start, we class you up, Okay. Me don't know if nobody never tell a ragga no care, Right? You see somebody like current 5 right now and you have to be careful how you're there with them woman. You know them woman there, them coming like COVID. Every time you left them, then come back with misery. Every time you left them, then come back as a different variant. You understand? Current 5, don't do it, B. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. You disrespect the program. Don't do it. Go clean your bathroom. I'm going to make Mr. Neverang cuss out your class tonight. Mr. Neverang, we know say you down the Facebook and them thing there. This woman a come on the people and business page, Mr. Neverang, and she a post bright enough. Look how much people up on the something. And she feels that she bright enough to come put, but she want. Current 5, don't do that again, yeah? Don't do that again. And we are going to ease you up a little bit and whatever, because we don't even know how you look. If you feel them chip up, all enamel, chimney there and whatever, you come here, so come up, take the Cash App and Zelle and whatever. You're brighty. They learn to wash your clothes properly the time you come here, so boy, you sell Jojo. I want to that woman here, man. And I might sure. Current 5, don't do that. Go do that for a Jabba show. Do that on Jabba show. Jabba will give you money for front. Jabba will pay you for your front. Don't do it on Raga show. Jabba buy front. Raga don't buy front. Go do that on Axtail show. You're out there, the current. Sure. Next thing you know, the whole of them are going to run, come over here and I want to post up for collect. I saw them come beat up people, take more time, you know. My girl, don't do it again, here. Don't do it again. You rang up right this son. You go low right this son. Right? Sure. Run back your intro then. Run back your intro, RJ. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, yeah!
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti
Let's go.
Ready.
I need some An Blenda time.
I'm want to call and talk up the King's Day.
That's the reason I'm done with him, because I see the boy out there to get up here to see him rock.
Check.
You want to get a beard with the same red one?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the neck side of the
Check. Here we go now. Mad people time. Ready up.
Because we are.
Yo, that word them mad. Aganeering to the flipping world. Hi. Ragashanti, I did mix up daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on.
Yes, Ragashanti. So you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with the handle side of it.
Check. Ready up now. Ready up now. Ready up now. Slam diggy daga do gande.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Hey, give me the dance, girl. 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 Lego. Mix up, big up to the woman who the man catch up with one purple juice in him juice. And when him ask her what that, she very nervously say, no, one thing when me get from Brazil, you know? So him say, Brazil? She say, yeah, Brazil. Him say, oh, you know Brazil? She said she don't know nobody at Brazil. So him say, oh, you get something from Brazil? She said she buy it from shop. Him say, which shop? Them they are Bronx, right? So him say, which shop? She said, one shop you say in a Bronx. Where the shop there? Half Gun Hill. Which part of Gun Hill? She, if I'm button, whatever. So him say, my girl, where you there, pon? She said, no, man, I really buy it at one shop for you. So him say, how you buy something from shop in a one buckle when I have a no label? chat, buck shuffle. Now, what happens next, people, I want you to know, I want to categorically state that I do not endorse what I'm about to tell you that the man did. In no way do I endorse it. In no way do I endorse it. And in no way am I being trivial about it or whatever, right? I do not support any form of abuse from any person to any person. Me not support man who abuse woman. Me not support woman who abuse man, physically, especially. But in gear one back, she must say wheel 3 times and flatten out and thing. And is a man where she knows certain things about him. Leave it right there, so. She know who she there with. So when him give her the box and she wheel and flatten out and thing, him say, tell me the truth. What you did I do? She claims her friend them tell her say that she fi use for time. Him ask her if, well, I'm going to paraphrase what him ask her. Basically, him ask her if any fluid, which is typical of a Jamaican man, if any fluids from her body in the buckle. She said, no. Him said it did something purple. So she said, no, nothing like that, not in him. She tell him, say, a really Brazil it's supposed to come from, yeah? But it's one of her Cuban friend. She said, tell her, say, that she used to tie the man. So she said she have a Cuban friend who bring this thing from Brazil for she used to put in her man juice for time. The man said, you're sure? Him ask her about something specific from her body. You don't know what that is, right? When it comes to tying, when I have to go in about the details, Jamaicans don't know what we attack. So him concern was, did you use that particular fluid from your body in it? And she said, no. And then, him just say, not believing in them something there, you know. So he said, as long as you don't use that something from your body, I'm not going to do you nothing, but don't do that again, here. And then him say him not eat from her anymore. Him and her still apart. Them never did they do anything, but them a do them thing. You know that's something there. And again, him a one of them man there who, you know, man there woman, you know, man there. Man there, them have money. Have him dirty money, as we say. You don't know. Them man there road man. And him say him not eat nothing from her and thing, but him and her still involved. All him lucky in about him and her still involved. You know. RJ, you catch a woman and put some fluid in her your juice and all them something there. And then she tell you say tie, she want tie. You that still there with her, RJ? You that still there with her after that? No, sir. Me gone, you know. Me don't even worry her, you know. Me don't even box her down or nothing like him, you know. Me just take with myself. Argument done. No need for no violence. No need for no drama, no craziness. I'm out. Bye-bye. Ta-ta. And whatever. Now, anybody know what is this purple thing from Brazil? I mean, well, in every country, you know. In every country, you have some sort of indigenous thing where them believe have some sort of supernatural power in holding people together. Whatever this purple thing that is allegedly from Brazil is, I don't know. I never hear of a purple thing yet or anything like that. And whatever. I know in the Cuban Santeria, most of them pronounce it Santeria, in the Cuban Santeria shops, them sell Isla everything. Them sell Isla relationship nice, Isla win money, Isla win lotto, Isla keep your man, Isla keep. If you go in on one of them, I think what them call it again, them not call it Santeria shop, you know, them call it like it say, them have a name like it say gifts. Forgot what them call them. But a lot of them are all over New York City. Not surprisingly, particularly in the Spanish neighborhoods, you know. Los barrios, the neighborhoods, you know? Los barrios. Donde somos vecinos, right? And them have them something there. But she say, our Cuban friend tell her, say, this Brazilian thing, are this something for use? Him and her still a do them thing, them a sort out still and all them something there. And not dead them there, cause him not really, him not there with nobody like that. Him just, the man they just roll, you know? You understand? Apparently she stay right. But the money turn up. The money up there like that. So I don't know, I must lock, she want lock in the money and thing, and her friend them tell her, say, yo, at this you for use, man. Chewing on the juice, man, and time with that time, whatever and thing and it. And him go catch her with the purple juice from Brazil. The purple juice from Brazil there. RJ, we have to take a break. One time, send on. Soon forward, people.
From Flat Bridge to the George Washington Bridge. From the top of the Empire State Building to the Blue Mountain Peak. From the Grill Point to Morant Point to Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, Manhattan, New York City. It's IrieJam.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Yeah, man, welcome back up in the juggling. Welcome back up in the juggling and thing. Yeah, the name I was trying to remember is Botanica. Botanica. That is what they call the Santeria stores. And again, people misunderstand these stores. It's equivalent to what some people from Jamaica would have referred to as Orbia store, but it's not Orbia, you know. Again, it's a very, 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 very complex religion, and it's a synthesis of African and Africanisms, Western Africanisms, and Catholicism, right? And those type of syncretic religions, and their accompanying way of life. We have several versions of those in the Caribbean, right? We have revival in Jamaica, and in the Spanish-speaking countries, Cuba, La República Dominicana, the Dominican Republic, and Puerto Rico, they have what is called Santeria, right? And very, very sophisticated, complex religion and thing. And people always misinterpret their rituals, based upon the stereotypes that they're taught in terms of demonizing anything that is non-European, non-white, right? So it's a beautiful, beautiful religion, just highly complex. And just like how you have saints in Catholicism, in Santeria, you have what is who the people were referred to as Santeros, right? And they are versed in their religious practices and so forth. So them use, them liquids and them oil and whatever. But every religion use some form of substance in rituals, But of course, each religion and each denomination love to, beat out the other one them and say nothing not go on for them. And demonize them and say them this and them that over this as if them not for them version of the same thing. You see it? RJ, something wrong with the phone here, so I don't see the light tonight. I don't know if something will come out. I don't know if something will come out, yeah? See, it probably something. See, they were good to go again. See, RJ the boss, man. See, anyway. Huh? Yeah, man. See, all right then. Let me go into the number them. So, we just want to call in, we don't mix up them and call in with anything on want to talk about and whatever and thing, right? I saw we are going to juggle it. Like sometimes we will do tune for X and thing and we have something we work with, all right? So sometimes we are going to do that. We're going to have tune for X or something or whatever. And the next time we're going to just open it up for just call in, we don't mix up them. All right? And yeah, me still say what I say, Current 5, bright, right? Current 5, she name. She bright. She out to order. You can't compound. But I like when people do them something, man. You understand? You can't see man I do them show and you come in at the people them. You come on the people them bossy page and thing and whatever and you put on you know, your name and your WhatsApp and your Zelle, so you collect money from people and whatever. Don't come do that. Don't come do that over here, so. Don't do that in my show. You're out order. Right? You're out order, yeah. And if you come do that, you will get done over here. Because that's some rule. We turn everything in as some crazy entertainment. Don't play with it. Look like that's something I reboot. Yeah. Anyway, if you call from it's a reboot. Okay, give me the call. Hello. Greetings. Hello. Hello, good night.
Good night, Raga.
Wagwan.
Medea, you good?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man. I'm good. I'm not beard for man. I'm not afraid for talking. I'm never beard today, but I'm good. See me here. My belly full and all
You're so warm, so I have to beard.
I say what? I go what?
I say the time warm, so I have to beard the hot.
You have to, no, you're not have to tell me a lie, you know. You're not have to tell me a lie. You're not have to, if you're not beard, you're not beard. Okay.
No, man, my beard, I'm probably going to take another one if possible.
Okay, you beard 2 times a day?
3 times, but guess what time hot man, so you have to do it all 3.
Okay.
So you go out in the morning and you take one, and when you come in back to the work COVID thing, you have to take off for you have one and leave you out the door.
What?
Jump in and take something, and then probably by 11 o'clock now you take something again.
I'm not serious about them something there. But I think that woman think different though. We not have to be enough time.
What's nice? What man have to be now?
So I go on, boo-boo.
My hear you a while ago, but before I go, Raga, hear me now. Before I get in my car about you see?
No, I hope you have some mix-up for me and don't play with me, you know, because I know you have got some good mix-up, you know. Oh.
Hold on. Let me say Happy Mother's Day to all the good mothers them. Come and see a program now go there on for that. So me heal up all the good mothers them who are tuning in. When Mother's Day come, Happy Mother's Day.
Seeing.
Yeah, me hear you ask the man there a while ago say if him catch a woman at time, if him would stay with her.
Yeah.
Me no feel say no man sit stand with no woman we a try tie him. Or me no feel say no woman must stand with a man who a try tie her.
Exactly.
Yeah, because somebody tying them are so nasty things them the people them do.
We know, but you remember one time you call in and give the tying one where did I go? Them have to bury our bury Kangle and all them sitting there. And you remember that one there where when they catch a woman, Kangle have to bury and all them something they almost feel much days and them something. That wasn't a tie. That was a tying mix up you to give it. Hello? Mataran. I want to the call, RJ. Hello? She gone? About this about? All right, now. Because usually I can't see this, you know, but I don't know what it, usually I can't see it and know what go on. Okay, people, if you're calling from Jamaica, the number is 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996. Well, I can still get called up even if I not see it, so. Okay, all right. Yeah, and yeah. And if you're calling from New York or if you're calling from the United States or Canada, the number is 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. Hello. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah, greetings. Hello.
Good night, Mr. Ragashanti.
Yes, Mr. Never Wrong.
How you doing?
Mr. Never Wrong, may I tell you some brain up story now, man?
No story, brain.
Let me tell you what happened. One thing upon, you know Facebook, because you probably not deal with Facebook, right?
No, we're not dealing with something, no.
But let me tell you, man, so IrieJam, you know, all radio station, them have a Facebook thing where the listeners them can come on and then them type in them comments and whatever. But it's for people for just come on and whatever. So this woman, you know, she come on now. And she basically want money. I ask her money. We don't know, nobody don't know who she is or whatever, you know. She just come and I post up on the people and thing. On the IrieJam 360 page on Facebook. And I post up and I say what she want them to send money to Cash App and send money through Zelle. What you think about that, Mr. Never Wrong?
Tell him we're taking germs someplace.
Tell her.
Tell him so we're taking germs.
Tell her if you take her.
Tell she.
Yeah.
Tell she we're taking germs.
Take her
someplace else.
Yeah.
Germs.
Yeah.
Someplace else. Don't care upon we could do it through.
Yes.
And the woman they talk about to the men.
Yeah.
He tied the man long time already. But the woman trick him.
What you mean?
The woman trick him.
Oh, the woman who with the Brazilian purple juice?
Yeah, he trick him. He not use it. And he didn't bring it from. And he do the swiping thing and put in it and trick him and tell him say, a Brazilian come from. He come from. I line to tell.
No, but
he already time.
But if she already time, why would she be doing it again? Or what you mean?
Yes, he will do it to hold him again. That's what my woman do all the while.
No, but
he uses swiping thing. He uses swiping thing, sweating the swiping thing.
No, but hold on, Mr. Never Wrong. That's something there, and that alone used for tie, you know. That are the one where it's most popular because people think it's the most disgusting one. But you actually have whole heap of different other way for tie people where them believes that can't tie people. So and that's something that she did have the night, you know.
But at the same time, they tell you in time long time already.
You think that's a time long time?
Show him that TV. Yes, in time long time already.
No, but I catch him catch her. I catch him catch her. So if she time already, why would she be doing it again?
Yes. You know, and he not right to box him down anyway because he already time long time.
Right, we don't support any violence.
Trick him. Yeah, you know different violence. You know we box him. No. You trick him long time already.
But Mr. Never Wrong, what you mean about a long time woman do that? What you mean? What you know about them something there? But woman do that.
Woman doing shit, man. When woman know why you left them.
When woman know why you left them?
Yeah, what then do? Yes, what then do?
Yeah. But Mr. Never Wrong, man tie woman too, you know. Man believes that them can't tie woman, you know, and do all kind of things to tie woman.
The woman do it more faster than the man.
Say what?
The woman do it faster than the man.
When you say faster, right, they say you mean say them do it more and quicker, that you mean?
Yes, because the woman know why you left him.
Well on, Mr. Never Wrong, do you believe say more woman tie man than man will tie woman?
Yes.
You believe says more you believe says more woman tie man, don't it?
Yes. And that's something common. And that's something newly.
Okay, but Mr. Never Wrong.
Know why you left him.
Yeah, okay. If the woman what?
What you think when a woman and a man they quarrel and fight and them quarrel today and then quarrel and then come back tomorrow. And then something happen.
Oh, so that's why you think so even though the man catch her, that's why I'm still stay there with her and them okay.
Yes.
So probably she time long time and she just did use one thing for strengthen the tie. No.
With the guy.
Okay, me see what you say.
Long time.
But Mr. Never Wrong.
And something newly.
Mr. Never Wrong. Talk to the woman them now who out there tie man. Since you think say more woman tie man than man will tie woman. Cause of that you say, don't it?
Yes.
Talk to the woman them. Talk to the woman them who are tie man. And talk to them.
Me have to tell them they know.
No, when I say talk to them and tell them for stop it. Talk to them and tell them for stop it.
Well, you're not going to stop them because that's what more than do all the while.
So what you say? The woman them not going to stop time. The woman them not going to stop time, man.
No, they're not going to stop.
Jesus, so what you say?
They're not going to stop.
So then if the woman them not going to stop time, man, and whatever, what man for manage with that no, Mr. Never Wrong?
Because the man love you, he already there already, so he can't move.
No, but what can men do to stop woman from try to tie them? What can man?
All he do, no heat and yard, and no heat from him.
What? No eat from her. No eat from her.
No heat from her. No. Don't eat from her.
But remember, say I know food alone woman use time and do, and Mr. Never Wrong.
Me know, but no, it doesn't matter. Don't eat from him.
So what you say? So when a man there with that woman, him just not for eat no food from her?
Yes. No. If you know, say and do something like that.
Oh, okay. From him catch her and do something like that. Okay.
Yes. It's like send Manchester woman them.
Manchester.
You have it kind of all the pot.
Jesus.
When they cook.
Wait, Mr. Never Wrong, what you say?
have to turn up over the pot.
Manchester woman, them, you can't trust them down.
Yes, you have to turn up over the pot.
Well on, Mr. Never.
Turn up over
Well on.
no move.
Mr. Never Wrong, stay right there, so we're going to come back here. We have to break for 3 minutes here at the top of the hour on Friday, yeah? Stay right on the phone, RJ, because we have to come back for hear but Mr. Never Wrong say, but the Manchester woman, them, you can't trust them. You have to stand up over the pot because them with that Lord of mercy. Listen to me now. We soon come back. 3 minutes.
Now this is what me and Virgo, you locked into Bridge 99 FM to the world. Let music play every day.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our juggling and thing. Ragashanti live in our ears on the Big Bad Bridge 99 FM and thing. Scene! Watch you right there now. We'll go back to Mr. Never Wrong, Mr. Never Wrong. We're telling you, hey, you know what? We're not calling with Mixup tonight. You know, just calling with any Mixup we want to have tonight and whatever. I'm sitting and thing. I'm going to 2 Mixup and Mr. Never Wrong. I respond to one of the Mixup. But the woman who our Cuban friend gear one allegedly supportedly gear one purple juice from Brazil. And a man catch her 2 of the purple juice in a theme juice and thing. And after him get physical with her and all these things, she tell him, say, I thought she did that right time. So Mr. Never Wrong, I talk about it. And in talking about it, Mr. Never Wrong say, Manchester woman especially, you can't trust them. So you know Manchester, you know, you have South Manchester, DJ Chris Cross and Manchester I'm come from, you know. So you have Mandeville, Mr. Never Wrong say, you cannot trust Manchester woman them. Mr. Never Wrong say you have to stand up over the pot when them a cook for you. You have to stand up over the pot. Cause you know you have to watch them so them not put with them nothing put in it. Mr. Never Wrong. You online? Mr. Never Wrong. RJ, where Mr. Never Wrong there? Him there? Him there? Me not hear him. Mr. Never Wrong. Mr. Never Wrong. Well on. Pretty punch in a Manchester you come. Pretty punch in a Manchester you come from. Manchester woman. I want to go on. Mr. Never Wrong a dip. Mr. Never Wrong a dip up and down the wicked. I'm not think him online, RJ. He will call back, man. Don't worry. He will call back. He will call back. All right. So, I'm going to just call in, right? If he's there? Okay. Bring in the call. Hello. Hello. Good night.
Hello?
Yes, greetings. Hello.
Raga.
Wagwan.
Yeah, me get disconnected when I talk to you. It's like I some job call in my ear, so. Me get disconnected when I talk to you.
No, nobody talk about job calling in your ear. If your phone pop down, That's all. Your man buy one idiot phone. Your man buy one idiot phone. My girl, flip phone now work right now. You know, that flip phone the way you have. Get rid of it. Right? Razor did I run the place one time and you still have your razor right, you know. You need to get rid of that Motorola razor the way.
Well, guess what?
Get one new.
Guess what? I have a bang and it take me wherever I go. Yes.
Yeah. So what you saying?
Banga is like a side chick. You draw feet under circumstances.
So what you say? So what you say? You have some woman them a banga woman down.
Yes. You draw for them when needs be.
Yeah. It's like an emergency backup down.
Yes.
So what you say differently, you know?
Yes, so me I tell you now about the time thing there, you see?
About the what?
The time thing, tying.
Pine?
Tying.
Yeah, tying. Yeah.
The time thing. Me I say if a man caught him woman a try time, if you run him, and it's the same thing for the woman.
Yeah.
Because sometimes in the time thing, I some nasty something people try to do to people.
Well, yeah.
Say, for instance, I was listening to a gospel station some years back.
Yeah.
And this lady calling about a man, which is her husband.
Yeah.
And she said, like, you know, on a Sunday, then we don't take spell as to who do the cooking.
Yeah.
Right. But them kind of have a little separation, you know. And then him come back in the picture and him a try blend out them things.
Yeah.
And on the Sunday, it was the gentleman's day to cook.
Yeah.
But she said what she noticed, said the kitchen door, the kind of push up.
Oh, okay.
So she said at one point, it led her to go look, through the little crease.
Yeah.
Where the inches hold on.
Because it sounds to me like usually them push up the kitchen door when them are using.
Right.
So she wonder why the kitchen door push up today when them are cook today.
Yes.
All right, yeah.
And when she go right at the inches.
Well on, stop. When them did break up and thing before them get back, she did left him?
No, she never really go into the details there.
Okay, all right then, cool. So
prior she did call a big on a gospel station.
Right. Okay,
Yeah.
all right then, cool.
So she said when she goes so and prep through the little crease, so the inches hold on right there, so?
Yeah.
Brother, are the man that having thing and milk it down in the woman.
No, you can't go into them details there. But you don't, so basically, he might take some substance from his body and put in a pot.
Yes, in the jug with the juice, with the soursop juice.
Oh, okay, don't explain it, we can't explain it on the radio. But when I say, oh, Jesus have mercy. So, well, a woman calling upon the gospel station at Jamaica and I share this, right?
Yes, he later come from one of them gospel station, they are big prayer.
A big prayer? Oh,
yes.
God. Oh, God. Then,
she said when she call out to the man, the way the man frightened him fling with that him all slide in it.
Him fling with what?
Him fling it out time on because him never did expect her to come behind him.
Jesus,
so when she call out to him, him throw it when him all slide in it.
And slide in it when him throw it and slide and drop in it, no?
Yes.
Jesus, what a dirty nasty man.
Alright, so you ask the gentleman, out a man or woman, who do the most tying?
The man say most the woman tie man.
Well, me don't go with him too. I feel say woman do most of the time because oftentimes we tend to hear about the woman them more than the man.
No, but if you hear about the woman them more than the man, that is not definitive evidence or compelling evidence that when you hear about something more, it don't mean say it happen more than other thing. You can just hear about it more.
Yeah.
All right. Let me give you another example. You notice a lot of the swiping video them before what day, most of the swiping video them was mostly woman and those swipe man. You notice that?
I know.
All right then. You think say woman swipe man more than man swipe woman?
I don't know.
You know how much time me hear some man swipe woman and them not get nothing more and thing, but you know much woman when them a walk on the road, so the first thing man I bring up to them and thing like. So there we are if we have to follow what really are going, then it would appear that man a swipe woman more than woman a swipe man, But the video them, we are seeing more videos of woman a swipe man because a mostly man a share them type of video there.
Yeah.
So when I say the fact that we are here, say, about woman at time, man mostly. I say that is not the case, I'm just saying we probably need to be careful when we are use that as evidence that, a woman at time, man more. But I must admit, I have to concur with you that growing up and most of the time when me hear a woman, I do it to man. Most of the time.
So this the one you know, Raga?
Yeah.
One day a taxi man tell me something happened to him father.
Yeah.
Him father is a Cuban, right?
Yeah.
And his father came here, but because overstay and couldn't go back to Cuba.
What, father came here into Jamaica, because Jamaica.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. All right. Uh-huh.
Right. So him couldn't go back. So him the out here plant tobacco.
Yeah.
And then him end up start a family out here, which would then be the taxi man we talk to my mother. You get the overs?
Yeah, oh yeah. Okay, so him had the son, the taxi man, his son. Yeah, okay.
Yes,
okay.
And then the relationship between his mother and his father broke up.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And then he have a next sweetheart, but they wasn't living together.
Right, okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So they have a common law, but they don't live together.
Right, but now woman. Oh no, well,
no,
broke
no,
up.
But now
broke
woman,
up, broke
the
up.
relationship done time, woman, this, but they don't live together.
Okay. Come on, la. Okay, good, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
So, what the man tell me, say, when the father they on the farmer, him used to go collect the food, the lunch, the dinner, whatever it might be where she cook.
Yeah.
She used to just go up the road and go collect the food and go give the father.
Yeah.
But the man I said to me, say, what him notice is that whenever time he went for the food, it was always cooking at outside kitchen. But the woman always have to go in at the house with the food first, spend a little time, and then come back and give him the food.
Seeing.
And he said sometimes his father used to blame him and say, I waste time on road.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
And it happened, that's one of the man working partner who I work with him on the field.
Yeah.
Saw something and told the man about it. And the man decided to him want to see it for himself.
Yeah.
So the man turned up at the yard without the woman knowing that the man is there.
Screech up on her.
Went through a window.
Yeah.
Went inside the house and went underneath a table.
No, hold on. You convinced me, right? Wait, did you say went to a window or through a window?
Went through a window.
Oh, through a window. Okay. Go inside of the house and then do what?
Without the woman knew, I went underneath a table.
Under the table. Okay.
Yes. And him tell the little boy, so when him know say him reach, the boy must go for the food.
Okay. So I'm already in the house now. I'm already in the house and tell the boy if he go for the food. Okay, all right.
Yes. So when the boy turn up to the food, the woman don't know so the man they in the house, you know. So the regular thing when him do is pass the little boy with the food and go inside of the house. Pull down the food on the ground and stoop down over it and steam out you know where.
No, explain. Yeah, that's the common thing, the steaming thing. So, but don't explain it. So him see her a steam. Lord Jesus. Him see her a steam out over it.
Yes, man.
Jesus. God. You know many
times.
And
the way the man take it, he never take it like the so-called prison did involve in that.
Prison end up in it, cause the man end up go to prison.
Yeah, cause him react to it.
Okay, because him react to it. Based on how him react to it, it was unpleasant.
Yeah, so I don't like them tying business because and some nasty things some people do.
No, but tell me something. Apparently, there is, and I'm not about to disrespect Christians now, but just I tell you what we hear because when you're not juggling with Raga, you're not going to hear things you never hear before. Because I want to be that surprised. Enough things are going out there in the world where people hold on and keep in a secret. But a show like this, bust out something with them. Did you know that there are forms of tying that is, shall we say, it not involve no nastiness, right?
Mm-hmm.
But you have form of tying, that is done in Jesus' name. No, did you know that? But,
no, sir, I don't know that one. I don't know the one that done in Jesus' name.
No, supposedly. Me just tell you the one over here. But you have this thing, in cultures all over the world, them have this whole thing about fancy term, objects of continuity. But basically, if you get a P, it is by association, right? So you have two forms of association. One is analogous, one is metaphorical. So association is like if you are cleansed and you get baptized, them dip you in a water and water clean. But so it's not a literal clean. It is by, you're being baptized in the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Ghost, and them dipping in the water and whatever. So it's a special water, special ritual and whatever. But water as the object, by association, we know so we always use water for clean, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
So them have it in a special. And then them have the other one now where you get an extension of, basically fancy term meaning you get the person sweat, you get them hair, you get them shirt, you know that's something there. If you get something all right. Supposedly, if you get a lock of the person here and put it in the Bible at a certain psalm, I don't remember which psalm it was. And there's a certain prayer and thing where you do for 7 days. And you put the hair in the Bible at this psalm. There's a certain prayer where you do one thing and you hold your hand on the hair in the Bible and you do this something and you have to do it for 7 years. For 7 days. Now, clearly this is nothing, quote, nasty, end quote. All right. You and I have said thus far that if somebody catch somebody and try tie them, that them feel let go and leave.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And we agreed to that. But underlying our conclusion is the understanding that they're doing something very nasty. And that by itself, should be conclusive in our determination that we need to go. All right?
Yeah.
So my question to you, what if you're in a great relationship and thing, and and the gentleman, this is a nice man and him treat you good. And you catch him and try tie you with a non-nasty ritual such as some religious thing with the Bible, and him a piece of your hair in the Bible and a prayer. So him not do nothing. Would you still stay in that relationship?
No, so I'm not tonight.
Why? But on a nastiness to my engagement.
Yeah, but that's the one where me see. I don't know if you have tried anything before.
No, let me answer. What if you know conclusively? What me really ask is, say him not do nothing, the man not do nothing nasty, but him just believe in tying, and that a theme we have to tie. And you know, say him not do nothing nasty, right? And that is the only thing he might do. Have you here in a Bible, from whichever psalm it is, and whatever. Would you still, and he's a good man, he might treat you good and everything, would you stay in the relationship?
But you see, for the moment that time something they come in, we just have a problem with the time.
Right,
something.
okay, by definition. From
yeah, we just have a problem with the time thing.
Okay.
Because my best friend, me come bust it my and tell us when me I go school, me see a girl that try tie our teacher with the same hair thing and corn grain and give to her cock chicken, but the cock chicken have to pick up the grain. So
No.
Well,
no, explain, but yeah, you did tell me about that one there, but I forgot it. Oh, that one that did go again?
So when I go to school, I know this girl that she like have pretty nice teacher, man. You understand?
Well, was the teacher the Indian man? I saw it did go.
Oh, yeah, you remember? So, yes.
Yes, I remember. Hey, years ago, you tell me that mix up there. Years and years ago. And it was an Indian man. Him did marry to though.
Yes, and she said our grandmother teacher her how we do it.
Yeah, how did it go? How she did do? How she did do?
End up get the, because she around the teacher, something, say here fall out so you can look and see here, right?
Yeah.
And she get the teacher man here with a needle and take the needle and bore a corn grain with it and kind of slip it tight like.
Stop right there, sir. She catch a teacher man here with a needle. Oh, so she put the hair through the needle. She thread the hair through the needle.
No, you have to put the hair on the needle and then try bore a hole through the corn grain and then push through the hair in the corn grain.
Oh, bore a hole through the corn grain and then push through the hair through the corn grain.
Yeah, but you have to use the needle for bore the corn grain.
Bore the corn grain. Okay, and then what?
And then she have to give it to a cock chicken.
Well, damn,
it can't be no hen.
It can't be a hen. It have to be a cock. So the woman attire the man and she get the money and she have to give it to a cock chicken. So we don't know. So the cock chicken, the cock now. Let's say cock chicken. I make it be clear. So the cock chicken for eat the corn. Can't foul eat corn.
Yes, but you have to make sure that the cock chicken, so you can't just throw it out there when a group of old day.
Oh, because you don't want the end them go take it. And the cock have to take it.
Yes, you just want a cock take it, a cock chicken.
So in this instance, when a woman attire a man, she have to use a cock, not the hen.
Yes.
The cock she have to use. Okay.
And you have to also pay the cock with a coin.
She have to do what?
Pay the cock with a coin.
Pay the cock
with a coin, like a $5, $10, but a coin.
But then, well on, before we go to the paying of the cock, so the cock have to eat the corn.
Yeah, man, the cock have to eat the corn.
So when the cock...
But hold on, if you tell her this here now, hold on. And you have to do it in the morning when the sun is rising.
Okay, at dawn, right? It have to do it at the man. So after the cock now, swallow the corn, we have the man here, I go through the corn. And basically you're saying she did this, right? Right?
Yes.
And after I swallow the corn now, what else come after that now? What you say now?
You have to pay the cock, you have to pay the rooster.
So how she pay the cock now?
You just throw a cent out there and say that's a fear.
That's a fear. Hold that dollar kind there, yeah.
Yeah, man, and you just watch what happens after.
So I eat that?
Yes.
So she did do that for get the teacher?
Of course.
But hold on, you never said something did happen like them did end up at this. She did breed female or something like so?
Of course.
Jesus. Oh, we had to explain a part of man because I don't remember the details. Other part did it go. So what did happen after now?
They end up together and they have children together and they are still together up till this day. And I'm going back some 20 plus years because me and graduated from high school 20 plus years.
Mataran, you know, say I lie, you tell. I lie.
No, man, I'm not
them
joking.
still together.
Them still they together. Me going to one pharmacy, go see them with them picking me.
But how much you them have now?
Well, me don't know, but me know say I saw them with a son.
So well, answer him did end up left him wife then for she.
You got get them divorced because them live together.
Because him and the girl who time live together now, though.
Yes, and they have them nice son or something.
And this was some 20 odd years and them still together.
20 odd years ago, me at talk about. So and she said as her grandmother tell her, she had that she fi do.
So let me ask you something now. Clearly, this woman, you know, you can't tell her that the tie never work, you know. So what she do never work. You can't tell her that.
The tie never work.
But my question to you is, you think say the tie work?
Boy, me feel say work, sir. Me feel say work, but me say I hell and pour the house if that man dead because that dopey shall tie and her same way.
What you say when the man dead, the tie is still there, still there, though?
What you mean?
No, but hold on. I'm sure you hear this because me hear this too. Just as how people go over man and them have different ways to tie people, they have all kind of ways to broke tie, you know.
Well, me don't know the way how to broke the tie. Me know say if you not tie the person, you know what the dopey take said party, they have a way to do that, but the part where you tie the person literally.
Yeah.
Me don't really know the breaking part there, but one of my fear why me always say me not in a time because me know when the dopey they take said for me, sir.
See it there. Can you imagine you have a stalker dopey? Lord Jesus.
Yeah, because me know one girl that have one Indian dopey on her. Mataran, let me ask you something. Where did this thing come from? We're Jamaicans. A lot of Jamaicans believe in a dopey, right? Mm-hmm.
Where did this thing come from? Where that have Jamaicans believing Indian dopey, and I'm using Indian not to use the derogatory term for Indian, which is coolie. Indian dopey and baby dopey are the two wickedest, evilest, terrible dopey.
No.
Why would love to take set on the Indian
we
people?
Don't know, but honestly, our man was an Indian.
Oh,
and
well,
she
okay.
decided that man.
Oh, well, in this case, hold on. So in this case, I'm not pick it as I randomly pick my Indian.
No,
our man was
man.
Okay, good, all right then.
Our
man was an Indian.
Accident.
Okay, so she did there with the man and look like she did tie him.
You know, look like she did tie the man.
She did tie the man, and then the man dead. The man dead in a accident?
Yeah, bike accident.
Bike accident. And then after the man dead, what happened after that now?
You don't pick go there and text it pan all do the things them to all juju swell up and all type of something.
Jesus God, the dopey sat out to make her juju swell up.
Yeah, she love you got church, she pray and all of them something there.
Lord
all of the old stuff, she said she the dopey just jump right down pan her right there so.
Where you say the dopey what?
All in the ceiling, she said the dopey jump down pan her.
The dopey jump down pan her and what fix her up gears and sort out?
Yes.
Mataran.
You feel it up here, touch her, everything, and then swell up and that's something there.
No, but what if she did just a wet dream like anything and she just a member?
I don't know wet dream, a serious matter.
No, well, we know. What if she just a member? Remember, you have some people, and I'm going to use to fix up my language now. Remember, that it is quite natural when people are engaging in certain activities of intense pleasure, that the body responds in a way where it increases in proportion. It's some swelling one. So what if that swelling is just from she? What if
the funny they are the dead man?
What you say? Something did that what?
Me say the only thing that was beating that funny was the dead man.
So you believe that the dead man did a fix her up and thing?
Yeah. There was so many reasons to believe.
Tell me something again, because. You know, I study culture. I'm an anthropologist. I'm fascinated with this, particularly the intersection between what is considered Western culture and African culture and some of these things as they relate to sexuality, intimacy, and the like. But tell me something now. there is certain continuities I notice in these stories, and I want to tell me what is going on. If this is evidence that is foolishness, or if it's just reason for belief. One, for all these years, me hear about Duppy as sort out people at Jamaica, right? 99% of them is always a Duppy man as sort out the Duppy woman. I sort out the woman. The woman who not dead yet. I rarely hear about Duppy woman come and sort out man. Rarely, right? Me wrong or me right?
Yeah.
Not you,
You're right.
All right, the next thing is, 2, why is it that the Duppy sort out them always turn up? Every time, and I've been hearing this for decades. Hold on, I've been hearing this for decades. Decades I've been hearing this. And them always say, I'm one of the sweetest sort out. How many did I forgot to talk to my pastor and this and that? But why the Duppy sort out them always turn up? Why the Duppy sort out them are always some samples? How come the Duppy sort out them never pop down yet? What is going on?
Because you can't talk to him directly, so him just do him for do.
No, but what I'm saying is, if when them was human, you had variation in the quality of the sort out from the Duppy them, right? Why we don't have that variation when them turn Duppy? Why is it that once you turn Duppy and you sort out somebody, you automatically say, every woman who call my show, matter on how long may I do this right now? Not 20 or almost 30 years.
Yes, man.
All right.
Yes, man.
Over the years, every woman who call in and tell me, say, Duppy sort them out and this and that and whatever, is always one of the best sort out them have, and them are wind up in night and all these things. Why the Duppy sort out them? Listen to me, I've got to talk to some of them Duppy that kind of upgrade my game right here.
I don't know, but guess what? You have some of them Duppy, they Raga, they jealous bad.
What you mean the Duppy them jealous?
What you mean? So when a man dead and the woman move on and the Duppy I got end up a frighten the bona, well, call it the bona man or new man, where that I say to you?
Yeah. Oh, when the Duppy I try frighten the bona man or the new man though.
Yeah, cause the same lady when me tell about she have her man and the Duppy all whisper in her man ears.
What matter? What you just say a while ago?
Me say the Duppy whisper in the man ears one night him
So our man dead and she get to a new man and
yes.
What the dead Duppy where our dead ex Duppy man come say to the new man? What the Duppy say to
no, she know him not hear no hear like somebody say now say
them matter and then that no foolishness, no imagination, that no Duppy not chatting.
No imagination, me say.
It's of course it's imagination. What you mean about Duppy come back jealous and I try get out the new man and all them? That is damn foolishness.
Raga, you know say the man left the woman because of the Duppy.
Listen to me, him did want to left her and him use that as an excuse.
No, sir, man just could never deal with it.
Listen to me. Them personality was incompatible. There was something unattractive about her. Her sort out did pop down. She couldn't cook. Her something. Her she didn't have no ambition. Her whatever. Them did want to leave her.
No,
I go tell her, say, is your ex-man coming? Are your Duppy man coming and text it for me? I left him did want to left her. Left him did want to left her.
You have your woman and Duppy a search you till wherever swell out. But your feet say some man a got angle that something there.
No, but you, all right. What I'm saying, how come we don't hear a lot of men I say them dead girlfriend or them dead wife come back, come start them? How come we not hear that?
Well, just like how you doesn't hear a lot of man say woman rape them, I same thing.
Wow, you know, so you knock me right there, so do. No, you're not me right. That is definitely analogous, you know, because you're saying real life, women complain a lot about men raping them, so there is something going on there where men are more likely to be predatory towards women. So if the same thing follows in the spiritual world, then it would make sense that is mostly the man them who still being predatory I come back for take it and whatever and thing like that, and the woman. Well, okay, all right. So you believe? Yes, hold on. You believe the spirit really has sort out people for true?
Yes, man. It can, man.
You believe
if you can't see them, then it's a possibility. So then we do the things them. Because just like I have some people say Duppy no real and people we tell us they say Duppy. Then I see them, so if people believe say they're not real, some people believe say them can't. Then we sort out your man.
The dopey will sort you out and thing.
Then they never realize. All right, Raga, you said something a while ago, and I'm going to tell you something.
What?
Did you know that whenever time one of the party die, let's say it's the woman, let's say it's the male dead, you know, so the woman they fix up themselves do.
No, yeah, we all know that. They might wear red panty at least for 9 days until the 9 nights.
And then wear tape measurement and all of this. How much money is here wear red brief and tape measurement?
But that is my point exactly. No, and them have to get them have to cut off some of the pubic hair, wrap it up in a certain handkerchief and put it in the coffin and thing. And whatever, to make sure say it, you know, for send off a man and sitting so him no come back and all these things and whatever. But again, I don't hear man. So there are all these rituals that women must do to ensure, say, them dead husband or them dead boyfriend don't come back to come fix them up. But again, I don't hear, I'm not aware of things in Jamaican culture what the man must do for ensure, say, the woman no come back, come try for whatever, you know, come try for come back, come give my headers when they must sleep and all these things and whatever. Me not hear about. Then tell me something, you know. So since like a whole heap of people, the other thing we not understand, right? You know, say, there is a lot of oral intimacy going on now, right? Mataran? Mataran gone? Eh? She get cut out? The question I was going to ask her again, in terms of a disparity in what they say, most of the time people call and tell me, say, dopey come back. Mostly women. One time a man must call man, but mostly women. So when the dopey them come back, the dopey them always do, shall we say, regular traditional intimacy, right? But a lot of swiping are going, a lot of headers are going, a lot of swiping are going. So what I'm saying, so dopey don't do oral sex too. What is going on there? Them don't have dopey headers. Them don't have dopey swiping and all these things. So when the dopey them come back and all them, so if the woman them afraid of the man and the man used to swipe or rather, then the man now go come back and thing and use him dopey mouth and him dopey tongue and him dopey this and that and whatever. How come we don't hear about that and whatever? Is that evidence when them say nothing no go so? It's nonsense. Because were it to be true, then we would have some consistency in what the dopey is doing. So if dopey used to sort and swipe out and thing, if him used to swipe and strike, then when him come back, how come him only a strike and not swipe? Something to balance out right there, sir. Anyway, the absurdity of it. We're going to break, we're so forward.
This is IrieJam.
What? Over? Did you say over? Nothing is over till we decide it is. And it ain't over now.
We're gonna stay here forever. You got it? Ooh, yeah. Forever.
This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
Check. Back in the juggling people and thing, just real quickly, the number up here in the United States and Canada, toll free, 888-546 8742, 888-546 8742. From Jamaica, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, and thing. Gonna call in with any mix-up one have, and of course, as is the case with everything, each show has its own organic identity. And we're following, I'm managing it right here, because that is what I do. I'm here to do. But right now, the thing kind of focus on the tying thing. All right, RJ, send on a call for me. Wagwan, hello, mix-up time. Hello.
Raga.
Greetings, yeah.
Good night, Raga.
Good night, yeah.
It's a mix-up that just happened.
It just happened. Box me in my clot with it, yeah.
Yes. Me say my husband have one worthless friend, you see, Raga.
Mm-hmm.
You ever hear one man want to take back one bed with him no buy?
With him no buy? Walada. Tambourine! But who you take back a bed where you no buy? Explain.
But listen, all right, Raga. So, December now, you know, we say we are change out with bed and all of that. So, we have a little extra box spring and the mattress and so.
Yeah.
So, my husband no friend now. He don't want a little chick we ain't like. But no, never really go and fear because she just break up. And you know we going, woman, you know, you leave everything. So,
yeah.
We have the bed. So, he must say, you know what little chick, you know, should I want and I want help her. I say, yeah, no problem. Like, if you call her, she wants it good, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
She said, yeah, she would have take you and all of that. So, she kept the bed now. So, she and him are go and par, whatever. So, she don't want to talk to him no more. The girl cry call not too long, Raga cry. How the man tell me come back for the bed?
Well, so them just mash up. So, she just not too long a call. A call you and a cry. So, the man a come back for the bed.
Cry! The man say I come back for the bed. That's after my husband friend say I come back for the bed. Cause no man now go and go sleep.
Then well on. Yo, if I laugh, I ease my body. Well on, man. What me I say, so where him a come from doing, you know, is I got the bed and gave it to you. Yeah, him basically
no. Yes, and that he must say. He must say he should get it to him.
But well on, you need to give him and then him give she or then him tell Unu for just give her.
No, we have that him and say, you know, we are saying, you know, we never not space with them. I say, you know, say one chicken, she don't want him. I say, seriously, he call her and she say, yeah, she'll be grateful. So we make she get the bed. But just because he must say, because of him now make she get it.
No, you know, say work list.
So he want back, him say, I come back. He what me tell her, say, take care and come back. Me said, take care if he thinking bad. If he thinking bad, he go touch you. So me make sure.
Hold on. I have listeners all over the world, and them always are right. Me say, please, could you just kind of pay attention and explain certain things to it? Because we hear certain things. All right. For those of you listen, I have listeners in Switzerland, you know, man, and all these places. Okay. All right. You hear this very Jamaican woman a while ago. She said, Tikia in Comba. Tikia. If you translate tikia, it means, let me say, an English equivalent. It's like, if you dare. If you dare. And it's really, if tikia, it really come from, if you think you're bad, really. And that's how it really come from. If you think you're bad, do so and so. If you think you're bad, touch me. If you think you're bad, try and come take this back from me. But when it down, like you get deep down in the Jamaica, deep in the country part, them say, tikia. And it's, but the translation is, if you dare, boom bang. So that's what she said. She's saying now she's defending the lady and saying, take care and come back. If him thinking bad, make him think him can't take the mattress from you. That is what the caller is saying. She tell you. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to defend her and make she keep a mattress, no?
Me, I defend it.
Where your husband? Since you're husband, Virgin, where your husband? Where your husband?
It's like he want to say, how if you had this the youth, like that and the youth did help her when she did down. As you know, as a man to man, Raga.
Yeah.
As a man to man, it's like, yeah, say, boy, the youth really, and the youth they get little stuff here, and why she be so she ungrateful.
No.
Him kind of dep on the youth side. That she say, that him must say. He would want to take back his bed, but he must say him feel away over the situation.
No. Hold on. Here's the argument, though, and I want all men listen now. While your husband can, if there's room for him to make a credible argument on that time, if he say, I'm not saying she's ungrateful, you know. I'm just saying whatever reason your husband has to say she's ungrateful, right? But even if she's ungrateful, my question is, what does that have to do with the bed?
Exactly. He must say the man goes borrow people pick up and come get the bed and make sure she should get it. He not buy the bed, Raga.
No, that was his choice. He did not give her that bed. He did not give her the bed on the basis that if you break up with me and I feel that I am the one in this favor with the breakup, you're supposed to return. No, him didn't do that. So when me
have to laugh, Raga. Me son girl calling and crying at night. The man say I come pick up the bed.
Well, listen, if your husband friend listen to me now, make Ragashanti talk. Mr. Man, if you take back that bed, bad blessing go and follow your penis. Bad blessing go and follow your penis. Your penis going dead early. Your penis going dead early. So in order to give your penis a long life, leave the woman with the bed. Okay? Bad blessing go and follow you. All right?
So
if you want a long and prosperous, stand firm life for your penis, left the woman with the bed. No, him feel leave her with the bed. Him feel no.
The Raga, me have to say, that's a real, the Raga, what you call it, second hand, Mr. Take it back.
No, but you can't call him Mr. Take it back because, well.
Second hand, I don't know if you call him. How can you take back something when you buy it?
I don't know, because what you call, because take it back is when you give it. You know.
Raga, second hand. Me don't know what you call it.
Yeah, because
I don't know what you call it.
Technically, he arranged for it to be given to her. But arranging for, party A to give something to party B does not mean that party C, if party C arrange to party A, give something to party B. Party C is not the person who gave it to party B. Party C just facilitated party A to give it to B. So technically, party C does not possess any interest in the particular property that was exchanged.
Anybody if you take back the bed, Raga, we have to
I would have wanted to take back the bed, yeah.
Come back to the bed.
And I like say you did give him. And I like say you did give him, and he had owned it for some time, even a day, right? And then him say, give it that I now own this bed, I am going to give it to her. That wasn't what was happening. The bed left from Uno to the woman.
That's why me call him. Oh, she disrespect me. She used me. She disrespect me. Mr. Well, that don't have anything to do with
that. That don't have nothing. And then it's my logic.
I say how me I pick up fear.
Men, listen to me. Trust me upon this. The best thing you can do when you give woman anything is to just give them and don't expect anything in return. If you get gratitude in return, but me just say in general. But me I say if you get gratitude in return, give thanks. If you get ungratefulness and whatever, let it go. Because here's my simple reason with the techie back thing. If the woman is an ungrateful person, right? Logically, you should be happy that something happened that revealed who she is, don't it? So that you're not with that person.
Because maybe about 6 months ago.
Right, so that you're no longer with that person. So if you give somebody something and the man grateful and wicked with it and whatever, and you realize that, just be thankful that you're able now to know who the person is. Let it go and move on. That is one. But two, what is this thing that if you give somebody something, there's a guarantee the thing must work out? Give it that you're being kind to the person. That is not logical thinking, Anything brought...
I don't think if you give something, you have to do it with a willing heart.
No. Listen to me, people. Listen to me. You see, that's something that I want to read in a book, a novel. I want to see a Hollywood movie when the people are married in at the end and them gone off in at the sunset and want to hear in the love song, you are my forever. And when I just meet you, I meet my what? You know them love song there? People, want to start believing in them foolishness there. Start believing in them foolishness. I'm going to say something to you now, I'm going to vex again. You see that something there? When you not get married and thing and whatever, I don't talk about forever and it will never bring a son down thing. Me, Ragashanti, I tell you no. Only can say it if you don't want to say it, but don't believe it. Anything brought together can logically be rendered asunder. Anything go together can separate. Just understand that in a life. If you believe, say, anything, when you and somebody go together, it's not supposed to break up at all. That is how they end up kill people. That is how they end up staying in something where you don't know stay in because when they are suffering all them something there.
That's true. That's true, Raga. Them not living a reality.
Exactly.
Fairy tale world they want to live in now.
Exactly.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Yes.
Right, I want that. Cut and clear. Cut and clear. Cut and clear. Cut and clear. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. I want that a while ago. And what that's it? No grave cannot hold my body down. No grave cannot hold my body down. Cut and haul it up back. I walked a while ago. You know, you see it coming on my phone a while ago. Cut and clean it. Angel, you know the lime over there. You have any lime or salt or what? Listen to me. Listen to me. My mother was proud of me a while ago. Big up yourself, Miss Cherry. You wash belly there, you carry on your legacy. Don't play with Miss Cherry boy. Don't play with Miss Cherry boy. You not said nothing in the phone for me. You not sending nothing in the phone for me. Cut and clear. Cut and clear. Psalm 59 on the nastiness and thing. Psalm 23 and 59 for. Cut and clear. Cut and clear. Ease off it. All right. RJ, always stay there. Me or something now. All right, bring in our next. Anyway, hello.
Yes, yeah.
What kind of wally echo? What kind of wally echo that they are the people in man yard under the bed down?
No, not like that. No, they are the man yard.
Okay, so why you have to use the thing out on the veranda? Why you have to outside in our passage?
In our room.
Anyway. What happened?
Yeah, me I endorse what you say about the man there.
What?
No, the other man we are taking back. We are taking back.
So why you endorse? Yeah, why you endorse it? What is your reasoning?
Yeah, because I know say any man will give human things and I want to take it back to my man. You understand?
Right.
Yes, and then.
So hold on. So what you think about woman now who give man things and want to take it back? Them are what?
Them are you are worrying woman.
No, but you see, you don't even have a name for them. Don't you find that interesting?
Well, in this case, you know, so me never really buck up for a woman where give man something and take it back.
Exactly. Hold on. So here's my... No. So you never hear it and things. So here's my question. Why you don't think woman take back things too?
Yes, maybe they do. Yes, it's
maybe.
True.
Maybe.
Yes, that can...
No, you have dirty nasty woman who take back things all the while out there.
No, me never see them. Me never see. Me not tell you no lie. If me tell you so me see one woman will give man something and take it back, I lie me I tell you.
All right. Hold on. You know one of the reasons why that side is less than the man's side?
Mm-hmm.
The main reason for that?
No. What is it?
The main reason for we just seeing way more instances of men taking back things when them give and very little instances of women taking back is because men are the ones who mostly give women things and women don't give men things that much.
Oh no, man. You say that, man.
No, hold on. So what you say, I lie, me I tell?
No, me not say I lie, but me I say, you know, have to endorse something like that because look here.
No. I wasn't endorsing anything. I was just stating something. No. Don't you know that society is set up for when man do the core thing and man look woman and what? His man must buy the gift. His man must do this. His man must carry a yasso. His man must buy this to impress her. Don't you know that, right?
Yes.
So that is all I'm saying.
The woman can give things just like how the man gives things too.
No, I agree. I was just identifying that the main reason why you have instances of men taking back things, it's because by far, a man mostly get woman things than woman give man things. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Right. I just want you to keep that in mind. But what else were you saying? Yes. Yeah.
No, me that say even go 2 or 3 programs ago when another person call and that talk about a man who that he take back some things when by a young woman same way.
Yeah.
It was a man was telling you that the man took back the girl go buy the things to the young lady, and when time the young lady go, she go without him and he go buy the dance or the party, and when he look, like she have on the ring, she have on the chain, and the pretty shoes and stuff like that, and the hair. And so I mean, call her out of the dance.
Yeah. Somebody call in and then call her out of the party and thing, and I take back everything and whatever. Right in our party, I'll take back a year. Yeah, him did that, take back a year in the dance. But she did right though, you know, take him on things and then go to the next man I party. That she did, remember, don't? So she go with that, card him. And go one next man and then him go find out and see her with the things where she met the man buy for her, including the ear, and gone out with one next man or whatever. Yeah, so what you think about that? What you think about that?
No, I'm not going to say nothing about that one because if that's a one bright and out of order something.
Yeah.
I'm not going to say nothing about that one day. But I normal one me a talk.
Right.
You say, you and the man did there. And you in a relationship, good, and just because something happened, I break up, and so in this I take back the house, the car,
dirty man them there.
When you buy, you know, the underwear them, the kitchen things them, and
but my one pet peeve though, and we're going to take a break real quick. I just want your answer upon it. My one pet peeve, because I burn out man who take back things, take it back man them, I burn them out. But one thing though, if a man and a woman engaged to be married and the man go buy her an expensive engagement ring, right? And then she now go dash out her juju and go sort out Jabba, she sort out Oxtail and go sort out IrieJam. And the man find out. And the man say, we're not getting married because it's you go out to go sleep with them three man there. Give me back the ring. The man wrong?
No.
The man no wrong. Him right to get back the ring there, so don't it?
Yes, I right place in take it back.
Thank you.
Right place in take it back. Before him go married. They kind of not.
Thank you.
Yes. But look here. Yeah. They have one little mix-up story to ask you about, you know.
You have a mix-up for what?
One little story where we see in one of our Jamaica's public in national paper.
I go. All right. I'm going to make you start it, but I probably have to make you start it and then stop and we'll take the break and come back to you. Go on. Start it, yeah.
Well, with this young lady, she and this gentleman, they're together now and they are getting engaged, and he gave her a sex book, and this nice and innovative, you know, sex book.
Him give her a sex book? Him give her a sex book? Yeah, and what?
Yes. For our engagement present.
Yeah.
And she, you know, like, you don't know where her brain is gone. She got start to cut and say, if the man thinks where can the nastiness the culture and thinks she are going to do those things and so on, and fling the book back from him. And so on, and say she don't want to burn the book. But eventually, you know, she take up the book and put it on her side table, her night table, and when her friend come there, and she, look, show you some woman foolish. Go take up the book, but she asked for her friend. The friend goes to this nice, you know, and up to something they sex book, and take time, see for the book, and gone with it. And when the man asked her, now, said, here is the book that I bought for your engagement present. She can't find it. That the friend can't see for the book and carry down. You know, the friend right, that the nice book there.
Oh, Jesus. Are you that glad for the book, no? Jesus. Anyway, we have to go break now for about 3 minutes. Yeah. But I don't see nothing wrong with that. A modern times now, you watch a video and then, you know, spice up your thing. Anyway, we have to take a break for 3 minutes. We have to take a break.
Use that book.
Okay. We have to break for 3 minutes. Here? All right, then. Blessings. Here? Yeah, man. Cool.
Yeah.
We're soon forward, people.
You're now in tune to
The Bridge 99 FM
from Jamaica
to the world. Right.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Back in the juggling and thing. Just call in with a mix up them and thing or whatever, whether upon the tying thing or any other thing or whatever. I don't want to call in, but everything is everything. And I don't know, and if not call from Jamaica, the number is 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. If you're calling from the U.S., the toll-free number from the United States or Canada, that number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. What is good radio? What is good radio? Careful now. Careful now. Anyway, all right. Here we go. Give me the call. Give me a call from Jamaica then. Bring in the people from Jamaica. Hello. Wagwan. Good night. Good night. Wagwan, me not hear nobody. Wagwan. Okay, here we go. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Yeah, hear me?
Yeah, man, I hear you now, yeah.
Yeah, Raga.
Yeah.
You know, all my life, I know I'm dead, but when me hear Mataran talk, me want dead tonight.
You want... Why?
What? What, Raga? Me don't want to turn a dopey, man.
Because what? You start out, I go turn up when you turn dopey, don't?
Raga. You see all of the women them usually deal with?
Yeah.
And all women get to deal with?
Yeah.
Me I take set pan them,
Yeah, take set. And all who you did all want, want to get look nookie from and them
Raga,
never run it and thing.
Raga.
Yeah.
You have one, Raga.
Yeah.
You have one,
Mm-hmm.
Me usually deal with our sister,
Yeah.
Saying, but after a sister, me and the sister relationship mash up.
Yeah.
And go after her, Raga, you see when that girl turn the corner, Raga?
Yeah.
I'll know the pasteur and I turn the corner, I'll know,
Jeez and peace. That's how she steer. Down.
Yes, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, man.
Okay, so you want to turn up if you just go on with the something them and thing.
What?
Tell me something.
But that takes up a woman.
Hold on. So you, as a Jamaican man, have you ever heard that woman talk about dopey man come sort them out, right? You hear about that already?
Yeah,
right?
man, me hear about them things, man. Me hear about them things.
Me hear about that, but that come on. No people don't know that come on at Jamaica, woman say dopey come sort them. You ever hear a man say a dopey woman come back come sort him out?
All right, me hear about something we usually go on up at Newcastle up at camp.
What?
One woman dopey usually start out to recruit them.
Start out the soldier recruit them?
Yeah, man. Some years ago.
Up at camp?
Yeah, the one up at Newcastle.
Up at Newcastle, when them train up there, right? Them train up at Newcastle and thing, right? So
yeah, man, me hear about one woman dopey usually start out couple of them.
The members of the recruit them, the new recruit them in the Jamaica.
Yeah, man, they recruit them, man, Raga.
And woman dopey sort them out up there and thing like that. Listen to me. To the Sierra de Franklin. I have a brethren in used to in the military. Sierra de Franklin, my brethren over there in New Jersey. I need to know about that, I need to know about this dopey woman who sort out the members of the Jamaica Defense Force when them join the army and thing and whatever, and I sort them out. And what you said to me, and I give it to the dopey them up there down. I give it to the man them up there down. Hello? All right, yeah, well, I'm credit done. You sure? Interesting. Some members of the Jamaica Defense Force. I wonder if that's why when they eat it. I will see some video. You see them video they are going with the soldier them and the drama are going between them and thing. I wonder if because the dopey woman them are starting out. Members of the Jamaica Defense Force. Who have dopey woman are starting out up on Newcastle. Oh God, that's what I got through. By the way, that video there, I see two video with people in an entanglement with the Jamaica Defense Force. Jamaican people, ghetto people, who don't know me defend on don't. Who don't know me defend on. But Me nah say, me no know what happened there, you know. Me no know what happened there, you know. But I would like to suggest to you, do not feel at ease that if you have a disagreement with the security, with the soldier them, right? So you can have a disagreement with the soldier them. You can in the right, but me ghetto people, me Jamaican people, me no sound wrong, you know. But you see that's something they want to feel at liberty if you just run up on the soldier them so, and the soldier them must just take it so, and you can bad up the soldier them and them something there. Me I just suggest to you know, say perhaps that is not the right approach. Right? Perhaps that is not the right approach. And we know say our thing is, you know, we raise and thing and we have a kind of inflammatory thing, and when we express ourselves, we can be very vociferous, we can be loud and we can shake and walk up in a people's face and all them something there and thing. I would like to suggest to you, my fellow ghetto Jamaicans, I'm a proud of ghetto, I would like to suggest to you that you not relate to members of the security forces that way. Again, me not say you wrong, you know, but whatever the disagreement is, me not say the soldier them automatically right. I'm just saying, if you have a disagreement, and again, it's 2 videos me see, and I understand that the Jamaica Defense Force is going to investigate them. But I'm just saying, if you have a disagreement, you may want to be careful. Oh, you're going to run up in a soldier face and point up in a soldier face and this and that and whatever. Because then when the thing escalate now, can we see a thing where the woman go do it and the soldier ease her off, then the youth run and defend him mother, which we can understand. Then him a get beaten with the soldier, swing him gun and beat the youth because the youth go choke him off for him mother. But I defend him mother. But him mother run up in the soldier. And then it was just like a downward spiral from there, so. And then the soldier them now, they're being soldiers. And I would also like to suggest to the government and the JDF that while what I observed with the resulting chaos and the soldier a hold him gun by the nozzle and I swing it and I beat people with it and them something there and whatever because he felt accosted and had reason to believe that he was in danger. As far as I know, when I'm growing up, whenever we put soldier out there in the public, there is always a police officer there who supposedly is trained to deal with that direct interaction with the public, which the soldiers are not trained to do. But what I noticed there in those videos, I didn't see any police officer in those videos. And it's 2 videos I see. And what I saw was soldiers doing police work, which they're not trained to do. People, to just reduce it to its raw fundamentals. Soldiers are trained to kill, you know. Soldiers are trained to kill the enemy. Soldiers are trained to eliminate the opposition. Soldiers are not trained in interpersonal skills and to interpret the law, the country, and all them something. That is not what they're trained for. That is why you usually have a police officer when them from we little bit and whatever you hear about rat patrol. Well, some are too young for know about rat patrol. When rat patrol touch your role from when young, a police always is. A 3, 4, 5 soldier, a police always is. The police deal with the arresting, the police deal with that something there or whatever. So I'm seeing these 2 videos, and again, obviously the soldiers were deployed in these communities to restore order, which I support because things are get out of hand, and sometimes extreme circumstances call for, some stronger measures, which might include us using our soldiers, strategically in careful ways, in terms of how you have them interacting with the public. So I would like to humbly suggest, because I'm not telling the Jamaica Defense Force or the government how to do their jobs. I wouldn't be that presumptuous. I'm not on the ground there and so forth. And for all intents and purposes, right now I'm an armchair critic and thing. But in my humble speculation on this, what I saw were the soldiers placed in a situation that they're not trained for. And that the people, whether consciously or unconsciously, sensing that they are not behaving in a way that, that they should be behaving. They in turn now were relating to the soldiers in ways that I was like, no. I was like, so how them for do that? How them for roll up on the soldier them way there and whatever. And again, they might be right and think the soldiers may have been doing something or dealing with the matter in ways that the people were justified in saying, yo, soldier, what go on here, so and this and that. But having soldiers in position where they're doing police work seems to me to be a prescription for chaos, and that could lead to some serious fatalities and some serious conclusions that, should they happen, then in retrospect, you have somebody say, but why did we have soldiers in this position anyway? So Again, I'm just suggesting to the authorities that please don't put soldiers in positions where they have to be doing policing that they're not trained for. I can understand when I go up in the mountains, go search for the gunman, them and bring a soldier them for do their military thing and with them train for go up in the woods and all them something there, but whatever. But having soldiers in a position where them do police work and things. I don't know if the soldiers were not supposed to be doing police work and they chose to be doing police work when they shouldn't. I don't know if it's that happened. I don't know if it's the people or is the people I don't know what happened. But again, what I saw in those two videos were soldiers doing police work, which they shouldn't be doing because they're not trained for that. And people, treating the soldiers in a way with some sort of disrespect that put the soldier them in a position where they feel like they have to respond now and things like that. And it just, then you have the blame game start and whatever. But on a certain level, one would have to wonder if the real problem here was one of our management. In terms of what are you supposed to do and what you're not supposed to do. And again, I don't know the details here. I don't know what happened. I don't know what led to these incidents occurring and thing. I'm just giving my little input on it. The videos are out there, one in particular has gone. There's one on my Ragashanti page, pan Instagram. If you want to see one of the videos, you can go on IG, Instagram, to Ragashanti, and you will see one right there at the top. Right there at the top. Right there at the top. So, I don't know what led to it, but it just seems to me that the soldiers were in a position that was unfair to them in terms of what they were trained for. And also, I noticed that the people were relating to the soldiers in a manner that one could say they had no respect for the soldiers and were being a lot of you're not aware of the definition of assault. The definition of assault is actually different from the definition of battery or battery, as the Americans would say, right? Battery is when you actually put your hand on somebody or touch somebody or punch them or lick them with a piece of board or bust them in. To assault somebody, you don't have to touch them, you know. You just have to be reasonably threatening to the person, that the person's perception of your threat to them, even though you not touch them, and whatever, is such that they felt they're justified in responding. So in my humble, and I could be wrong, I saw some assault, being perpetrated on the soldiers there, and they felt inclined to respond. And then it was just downward from there. So, me get the people, man, thing, reason, man. Talk to Soji, man. Soji, and I want to big up to the couple of the other soldiers, them who they say under the tent, or me say one of them stand to the left of the video. After a while, he was being diplomatic and trying to say, calm down and thing and whatever, and so forth. But it was very uncomfortable to see soldiers doing what they're trained to do, which is once a crowd are come down upon them just very alert with them gun. It was very disturbing to see a soldier grab him gun, turn around him gun, which he's not supposed to do. Soldier must never take them finger off of them trigger, They must never take them finger from them trigger, right? And he felt it necessary for turn around him gun, hold the nozzle, and swing the gun and a beat whatever. With a crowd of people out there, anything could have happened right there, so. So people, behave on yourself and show some respect to Soji, even when on the right. And Soji, as much as you can, nobody make the people them drown out. And to the people who are managing these deployments of our security personnel, in this case the JDF, as a layperson who is not privy to the complexities involved in the logistics of these things and whatever, some of us are run off my mouth, but if there is some sort of merit to what I'm saying, I would ask that you acknowledge it and, if it can help in some way, please. Don't put the soldier them in them position the way where they end up having to do police work, which they are not trained for. Okay? All right. Let me see what I want to say. On the IrieJam Facebook page about this. When it said true Raga. Vinny says Soji had defend himself. She should have did get 2 out of the rifle. Sean, a long time the news soldier. We have to call true Raga. The soldier lack the tactics and shouldn't be dealing with the public. Okay, the government need to reevaluate how the soldiers are used. Sean said no, the soldier was out of hand. When he said that was a disaster waiting to happen. Okay. RJ, we have any calls there? How many figure out the number? All right, give me a call. Hello.
Raga.
Greetings.
Blessed. You say no here no woman take nothing for no man yet. Well, I never said that, but tell me where you are. Yeah. In fact, I was saying the opposite, but go on, yeah. Never mentioned where they were a girl from USA, and she buy one house scheme, buy one car scheme, but when she go there and left him down here, he must carry one bag of girl in the house.
One bag of what? One bag of
woman in the house. I have a big old party with him and some other bedroom. And when them other bedroom go some group and call the girl and say, oh look, the house at on one piece of RG place. So just come out and sell the house back and take back the house and sell it. But she couldn't take back the car because the car didn't leak and whatever. And just sell the house back and take back the house and sell it. More time.
Well, so she buy him a house. She buy him a house and buy him a car. Him and her there, she buy him a house and buy him a car. And she go back a foreign. And him bring one bag of woman in the house.
One bag of woman in the house, yo.
And all a flash out in the car with the woman them too, don't it?
Mad, so pay convoy him the pan, kind of call it convoy.
Convoy. And then no, so and then she hear what go on, and then forward and then do what?
And just come and sell the house back and just take put him out of the house and sell the house, take back the money and cut.
She run him out of the house and sell the house and take back the house and cut and left him down.
Yeah, but you couldn't take back the car because the car did crash, so just make him go on with it.
So what you think about that? Just as how we are saying man workless for take back things and whatever, and think even when the woman, you know, except for engagement ring, even when the woman violate her, you know, if you take back things, if you reach disagreement and broke up and things. So you think the same thing should apply to the woman? She should allow him with the house, no?
Well, she done buy him already.
Eh?
She done buy him it already, you know.
Well, yeah, what goes for the goose goes for the gander. Right.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So if we are said in that position the woman for keep the things, well in that position the man for keep the things.
The man for keep the things.
The man for keep the things. She should have get out the man with the house. Right?
You know,
she make a choice. She make a choice.
Like was a little with the crash car. There's a car and crash, maybe she'll take it back to.
Eh?
That me as a
Sin. No, she got low right there. So she feel love a man with the house. Yeah.
And then a couple months after that him crash off on bike and she hear and she asked the boy, yo, Ray, and he must say to her, I said, why me do a peanut and Ray can send something come give it me Ray. Oh, come on. Yeah, do me them something there. They cheat up on me and all of these things.
Oh, so she said she nah send nothing a female thing or whatever. Done with him.
Done with him.
Done with him and things. So
and in butter until in the fine right now, in the USA right now. I don't know which state, but in the USA right now.
Oh, so him get for touch up here. Him get for touch up here.
Yeah, maybe if you manage to, him understand ways.
Well, on, which area? Not giving a road on, but which area did that?
In a Tulane in my house.
No, just tell me which part in the road, you know. Just tell me the district or the town.
In Tulane?
Yeah.
Duncans.
Duncans, leave it right there. So,
yeah.
So what you think? Well, she should have left him with the house. Should have left him with the house.
Good propaganda.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah. If we're going to take it back, we could burn a man who take it back and woman who take it back too.
Who take it back. I mean,
but what would you suggest? Do give it that women usually value their genitalia, give their genitalia value and don't give the man genitalia value to the point where woman always say, yeah, but if you're going to take back your things and things, I need to take back my sex. What about my sex where you did get? As if we say, for them sex have value, but the man sex never have value. So woman always talk about the sex as if, me give you my jojo, and things so me forget something back, which implies that even though the man did give her him instrument, that no value not there, so him not have nothing to forget back. So what you da say to the woman them when them a reason that way there?
So what you know?
Yeah.
If the man thing never is value on, see, why she want time?
Why she want what?
Time.
No, we're not talking about the time no. We just say with the techie back thing.
Mm-hmm.
When the techie back thing come up and man a take back them things, the woman them who never give the man nothing material, never give him nothing like material, them always a say, yeah, but what about my sort out to me the give you since you want to take back your things? So when me ask you now, what would you say to those women then? Who believes that for them sort out have value, but the man sort out not have no value. So because for them sort out have value, they must get back something for them sort out. But we never hear man say them to get back something for them sort out. What would you say to those women now?
No, look here now. She left all the way from me to come out as in.
Yeah.
And normally, when she come out with him,
Yeah.
And the man a roll.
Yeah.
She normally just want to start out for the whole time.
She want to start out for the whole time, yeah?
The whole time today.
Yeah.
And she that's the boy, if you start out, turn up.
For him start out, turn up. Yeah.
That's why she give him the house.
Right.
You understand?
Okay.
And then that's why she give him the car.
So basically you are saying, you have some scholars out there, right?
Yeah.
Them have this vast amount of scholarship, research and all these things, that basically study the modes of exchange between people, right? And it's a very, very sophisticated body of scholarship out there. But basically what they must say, listen, don't make nobody fool you. Every relationship have some form of exchange. Something exchange for something. Them, and then break it down, and in different cultures they are different things. But basically them are saying, don't follow what people say. Don't make nobody fool you. Once two people in a relationship, them even take it deeper than that. Them say once people interact, something is always being exchanged for something. All when somebody say, them not get nothing but them give all of the person this, lie them I tell, these scholars would say. Them say, something like them I get something else. So in this instance, you are saying, the reason why she go buy the house and buy the car and all these things and whatever is that him start to turn up to the point where she fly come down her feet, and when she fly come down her feet, she want it non-stop, and him give it to her non-stop, don't it?
She want it non-stop. And more time I must work at one particular place.
Yeah.
And him can't late. And I tell her, say, yo, I'm late at work more time and I cause of that kind. And come and say, I'm emergency. I say, boy, yo, say, start to work for him because they can't come now because right now, if they put a thing and start out that thing and cause and then when time I go, I'm going to start to see more time.
Yeah.
I say, boy, John was star. I'm tired of star. I'm going to stay a little bit now because I'm tired. So he mean tired dog. So you don't see girl.
So when she him know say in terms of the exchange, go back to the exchange. Him know what she a get out of it. Him know why she buy the house and the car. Him know fame role, and fame role is a put it on pan her good. And when him tired and a drop out or whatever, him hold it and fulfill him obligation, don't it?
Yeah,
don't it? Well, him probably all take out some body pill for keep up on all these things, don't it?
No man, him normally go see, you know.
Him normally go where?
See.
See?
Yeah, and I be a conch and something they eat,
Yeah, him have to eat conch and all them something that straighten up.
Boy, build up him body car, way.
Come and put in the work and whatever this and
put in the work, and I should come and put in the work. But when I did the guy, they must say, boy, I have to take a week or a month or a small time.
Yeah.
Because I have to do it, you see me?
Yeah.
And then that's the boy, show him back our things.
No, but just as a woman can value for them intimacy and for them sort out. You don't think some of the man them who are putting in the work and all them something like them for start value them thing to them, don't it? What you think?
That me believe the man to start value them situation.
I mean, I know if you know, but me I just ask a plain and whatever. And when him a start out, him swipe out.
Well, what me get to understand, in the business go along.
Yeah.
When a white man come to Jamaica and I get a man anything, it have to swipe to get it. Otherwise, now real shit.
What you say? Your understanding of the matter is whenever you see a white woman come to Jamaica from so far, right? And I do so much for your man, you say some swiping are going down.
I go on, you know why? A white woman tell me, say, swiping a part of freedom culture and a part of them love. So he said, nah, do it the way there. Nah, get nothing with you.
So probably your brother need for value him mouth and him tongue too.
Yeah, that means no, Raga, serious to this. I know the original one, you know. And the man who do them something with them people, I feel value what them do. Value them mouth. Them tongue. As my brother say.
Wait. Say that again. What you say about them for value one? What them for?
The brother that say you have strong tongue.
Strong tongue.
Good teeth. Strong lips. And about strong
What you say? Strong tongue, good teeth, strong
good
lips,
teeth.
and a healthy jawbone, don't it?
Yeah. So, what do you think? The bitch tell me that, you know.
What?
When I'm a old man to me still, you know.
Yeah.
That the man that the woman them say, yo, me tongue long and strong and my teeth good. I'm a
long and strong and good teeth. Don't brush up with Colgate or one of them something.
Yeah, so I say now, they will value them things that all say if the white woman say if they not do that, then not nothing relationship that they stuff. So me I say, so see so be the case then. Well,
okay.
So, and most of the man them the Jamaican not go say yo. That I go on, you know.
Yeah, them not. Okay.
Sorry, I do it.
Okay.
So the thing is, the real thing is, instead that have to go on.
That have to go on. Okay.
And then so one man way. All right. Bishop better go to feel carry on.
Him go to.
I say, oh, you way, and this and that. And I say, yo, I swear that woman. They say, hey, dog, you must be mad.
Yeah.
Good shot. I say, yo, stop it.
Yeah.
Leave the man alone and them things, because what him do, you not go do it.
See it there.
Leave him alone. Don't go to the don't know what him do.
Yeah.
Left him alone.
Right. The man probably all have to lift weights in the mouth just to keep it in shape and all these things.
The other part, they lift weight in the mouth.
Well, at the rate them are going to probably need for them soon for go mouth gym, you know. Mouth gym, you know, kind of.
No. Oh, Raga, and I see us. Mr. Girl, they want two. Mr. Girl, they want 2 pieces somewhere, you know.
What?
And I tell you, plenty.
What?
No.
You see the woman in one 2-piece, and what you say she heavy, don't? She heavy.
Property enough.
Heavy, yeah. So what if I wait to general affair carrier? Jesus. Yeah, it might put it. No, them need.
We not go gym, but I say,
yeah.
Man, if you start to hold them thing and know, say, boy, listen to me.
Yeah.
If I saw be the case,
yeah.
I saw be the case.
I saw be the case. I saw the thing set.
Yes, so the thing set out.
All right, my general, big up yourself.
Value them thing.
Yeah.
Value them thing.
Value them thing.
See, me call woman value for them thing.
Yeah.
Me tell a woman, say, look, my girl, you come and say, why want this and that and where? Me say, yo, listen me. It's in my Bible. It says, by the sweat of your body, you woman, you shall eat my bread. So if you're not, by me and sweat your body, you can't eat my bread. So it work out.
See that. Yeah. Well, me think that some of the man them, while it is that you have some of the man take it too far, cause you have some workless man out there, right? You know. Them not hustle, them not go out there go do something, but them just expect them expect woman for mine, you know. It has always been the case that we celebrate men who work hard and take care of women who sit on a yard and them something there, right? So in terms of double standard, I find it interesting that when them see the reverse, people always have burn out the man them in other position.
Yeah,
but them celebrate and big up a man, you know, who will go out there and work hard and take care of a woman who just sit on a yard or not do nothing. Them a good man that. Good man that him take care of her and she not need it for nothing. She not have to work. A good man that. But if a woman do that to a man, you know, a workless man that, a Jojo condemn, she not have no self-esteem and him a workless dirty man or whatever. But hold on. That being the case, it is no excuse for some man lazy up a thing and want go out there and just want leech off of some hard working woman. Some of them dirty man, they figure one side to and all these things. You understand what I say? That makes sense?
Real thing.
Yeah.
Real thing. But you what I know? Me also have a woman, you know.
Yeah.
My baby mother, and she sit on the yard and nothing. And she want this and she want that. And the man say, you're a good man that and way. And what she do? But I want to go have one of the pennies and the man and tell me say my own. And I say, girl, you have 2 pennies for me. And you're pregnant the 2 times, and I'm me tell you, so you're pregnant the 2 times. So that's the one on mine. And she reel up and kick out. I say, right, do the DNA and see it.
And when the DNA come back on your youth, don't?
And my youth.
And she did want to give you the youth, don't?
And she have a 4th one. And tell me the same thing. And I said,
and she have a next one again and I tell her, say, you're youth.
And I tell me the same thing. And I tell her, say, girl, stop thinking I'm a dopey.
And well on, you did a work hard and I take care of her, make she just sit down at the yard and all these things, don't?
And
people are rate you up because you do that and whatever, and she go out there go breathe too.
You see me, I say, and the worst part of them, my bar and gear.
You open a bar and gear?
Yeah, and the same one, sit down a yard and robot the man make and pop off, and then a man say, boy, yo.
Well, and she go pick up one little man when now do nothing, and just a dig out the man mingle with the weed, another man that she go breathe for, don't?
Yes, the man that she breathe for the second time.
Mm-hmm.
And when I want to say my own, I'm a girl, then a crayfish.
So, well, on, when you say the 2 times when you breed her, are you one of these Jamaican men who believe that when you breed a woman, you know because you feel it in your body, you get tired? You believe in that or something there?
No, okay, I'm to me.
How you didn't know when you breed her? What did that mean in your body or in your mind make you know so you did breed her before she even know say she breed? What did that mean?
One time she get present me. That's when time that not go on.
Yeah.
And the start out done, she thought it's a girl, you know, so you're pregnant, and she laugh after me, say, me no God.
No, but how you know? When you just done start out the woman and you tell her, say, you know, so me just breed
my body just feel drained.
Your body
feel... For the whole 9 months,
yeah.
Me can't stay up. Me sleep. Me can't stay up. Because I'm going to work and stand up and sleep. After the boss come on there and say, yo, but you know, leaks.
No, so hold on. So from you pop off and then the whole 9 months with the first 2 pitting them, your body got through a 9 month phase that just tired and lethargic and whatever. And it's a particular state. You can't.
All right.
So, and what you said, that was evidence to say you breed her. You know, say I hear you.
It reach a stage. If this girl reach a stage where if she wants something.
Yeah.
And she and like she eat it, and me go eat it after.
Yeah.
Vomit up everything. We try to come up with a man.
But well on. So that is what for years me I deal with this when me I do that show here, and I'm always fascinated by it. So the weird thing go is, you know, when time woman them pregnant, them get them morning sickness and them all kind of something. And a lot of Jamaicans believe that very often the man get not all of them sickness and the woman not get it, and the man a vomit and the man a chew up on them something. You believe in that too?
Yeah, man, because the girl, I'm my girl. When she baby born, she said, I'm going to say, I can do the DNA. I'm my child. Me know it's my child.
You know it's your child because you feel it long time because you did have the morning sickness and all them something. They don't. So you really believe that? You really believe say something goes suffer true?
Yeah. Then I'm to me what I tell her you to me.
And it never happened for the other 2 them where she did that try give you, don't?
No. It not even come nowhere near it.
So you know, so the last 2 are jacket and the first 2 are your one. Because the first 2, you did get fear sickness and thing, and you did sick out and whatever when she pregnant. So you get fear thing, but the last 2, you never get none of that. That you say?
She have 6 sickness.
Eh?
She have 4 after my 2.
Oh, she have 4 after your 2.
Mine was the first. And she,
no, but the 3rd and the 4th, you said she did try put them 2 upon you. Try to get jacket them and thing. Okay.
I have no feeling whatsoever about the baby, nothing at all.
Okay. Last question before you go. So based on that now, in terms of, you know, whatever, or you did juggle with her and you did take care of her and she sit on her yard and do nothing. I mean, if you say you did even get her a bar and all them something and thing, have you relate to woman differently now based on that experience? Eh?
That's why my Bible read say, by the sweat of your brow, you shall eat my bread, all ye women.
Oh, so you have, what you mean? So is that you have to get something from a woman now?
If you want my money, you have to get, exchange
that will be a partnership. Okay. So if she get your money and you are contribute, she have to contribute to her. That you say, right?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Otherwise, it don't work out, because you say, the Bible says, I with idol and something. Satan find what them people that say Satan find work the islands.
Yeah, the devil find work for islands, yeah.
Yeah, so if she's still gonna she'll find islands.
Yeah. Me always say that, you know. If you have a woman and you go about society, tell her say if you provide for her and whatever and this and that and give her everything. You see at the beginning, she may like it, you know. You see after a while, boredom lick out her nastiness and whatever. Something not gonna reach you. Something not gonna reach you.
And then that's a little fool she start. That right now, She's up on a level where she said, "Oh, yo," I was calling me and I said, "Yo, what I said, my husband, Mr. Husband, what dear girl, how are you? I wish God I tell you something."
Well on. Some more time she try to run back your thing pan you door.
Yeah, yes, man.
So well on, and you decide say you not take it though. Every time she try to run it back pan you. Talk you got you never squeeze in a one piece anytime. Yeah.
Raga.
Eh?
You man say no. Some woman coming like COVID-19. Then come back with a different variant.
Well, I adapt my boss. Adapt me. You hear when my boss it at the beginning of the show, right?
Yes. And I tell you that's the bad.
You said that's the bad. Yeah, you have some COVID-19 woman. Every time them go, them come back in a different variant and want to kill you off with misery.
So what you know?
Some corona woman them.
I come at the 48. That come at the 41 guns for the king. For them give.
Well, just answer me straight. So you never take it back yet when you try to run it back, right?
No, sir.
Okay.
No.
You did tempted?
Eh?
You ever tempted for doing?
Yes, but the kind of tempted. But when I look back, I say, "Oh,
go back this, so yeah. Go back this, so yeah.
You know what I say?
Yeah.
To get her, so I friend, you know. That I say, "Yo, if you make me get that friend there, I bang up for that friend there, then me work with you." But if you can't make
when you tell her say she have a friend, say, and you tell her say, anyhow she make you get the friend, what?
Anyhow she make me get a bang up for a friend.
Yeah.
Then me consider her back. But me know the friend now go come that way, because I don't talk to your friend long time and feel it out.
Oh, okay.
So she says, I can't get the friends to come to me now.
Yeah.
She not tell me, say, boy, I me away. I say, girl, say to me, man, you're a big breed dog, watch yourself. Me bite and kill mongrel.
All right, big up yourself here, sir.
See him so bad.
All right, that's how I
heard, like a show. Then I first time I call you, but I hear my today for you there, Jamaica.
Cool, man. That's how I word, my general. Big up yourself, safety and protection. Here, sir.
What do you mean? See him, sir.
Anna.
Yes.
Balance. Yeah, we're up in a juggling and ting. Nice. 876-676-4996 from Jamaica. Right, we have call. Yeah, the man said we have about 6 calls. Hello. Yeah, what go on? We're not hearing nothing what you say. You talk down in your throat. You go, we're not, you have to talk.
Do not come to no short argument, rather behave yourself. Anyway.
Okay, go on, yeah.
Anyways, I can confirm with the man they said, because that happened to one of my co-worker.
What happened?
This particular girl was in a relationship with one of the Mandan authority.
Yeah.
A police.
Yeah.
But, a little thing around with she and the next co-worker.
Well, I not hear you good, I don't know why. RJ, I not hear her good, Are you on speakerphone, earpiece, or Bluetooth?
Open up your ears, Raga.
No, listen to me, man. It's not nothing to do with my ears. I'm telling you. RJ is saying the same thing, too. There is something with it. There is, are you on speakerphone, earpiece, or Bluetooth?
No, sir.
RJ, yeah, hear it, right? We're not, but for some reason, we're not hear your voice. I saw your voice sound. The volume is there, just pull out the phone a little bit from your mouth. Let me see something.
All right, so here now.
Yeah, all right, go on, talk now. Yeah, so what you say now?
I say what the man they say are true, because the males can actually, in a real life, have the sickness. As I tell you, the girl, she never have no sickness, rather.
None.
And the guy had all of the sickness. When they say man in sickness, a woman, and him have it. Every single bit. The guy have it.
So Jamaicans have been consistent with this thing over decades. I'm not talking
about Jamaicans.
No. I say me deal with Jamaicans. Me deal with. So me exist anywhere. But I just find it interesting. And
man. I tell you, we all have practice, because we in the middle of dancing practice.
Yeah.
The man talk about sleep. We're like, brother.
Him just a what?
The the man sort of sleeping and the middle of the practice in a loud
Sleep and
music.
thing and whatever cause him breathe her, no?
Brother, we all in the gym and have gym exercise time and the boy drop off on the bicycle. The boy they sleep on the bicycle.
Well, because, and this only happened after him get her pregnant and during the pregnancy?
Yes, brother, but me no say that happened. Me just a laugh and I say, no man, it look like you must be great. Somebody make you sleep since a ragga the whole 9 months.
Wow.
I him have all the morning sickness, and him have all the cravings. The girl don't have one bit. And after baby born, me get to find out say right under my nose. So you know, me never know say so.
Right under your nose, what? What you mean?
Then did they, but me never know say the two of them.
Me right, then was me just a pick up what you say.
Right. So the girl worked there, but she never tell me say she and the guy they did a run a little something. But me know say she tell me say she not have no cravings nor nothing. She good and me I say what? Look how we had a co-worker, she say she come and she have a meet out her tribe.
So well on, so the whole time when she did pregnant and thing, she never tell us you're inbreeder.
No, so me can talk from the two sides. So me know so she really never have no sickness and me can talk to the guy. So while when we grow and we have free practice session together, he must sleep in a He must sleep in them all outside with the guests them. We are dance and around water and everything. Rather, the boy asleep.
Be asleep, he must. But why if him did not sleep because him tired from did I start out with her the whole time?
No. Just okay. So the curving, explain the curving part to me and the choke part to me.
Or the choke part go on them something there because him did have vomit to and choke.
And the highly scented everything. Him can't take certain scent. Explain that.
And him can't take certain scent. When a woman pregnant, him can't take certain. So him can't take certain scent and all them something.
Explain that to me, Raga.
No. At this point, I'm inclined to think that there is something going on there that has a logical explanation. That is
alcohol or Raga and all them something they feed to make sure things can function.
No, I am inclined to believe that there is something going on there that science has not yet been able to explain, but that there is some validity to the assertions made by people who strenuously believe in this type of connection. That yes, there are instances that when a man gets a woman pregnant, he can be the one who get all of the sicknesses and the strange adjustment in them body and all these things. Okay.
Me can talk from that experience. Okay. And even my cousin-in-law said, them call one of the assistants now call her and say, I say you're pregnant. I said, sure. And so said, so done. The people can actually feel like when something wrong. But we know especially from the male point of view, when me see with my own eye, it does happen. It was amazing when I found out when the bunny gone. I said, okay. When everything, I said, okay.
What you mean, little bunny gone? What you mean, little bunny gone?
Rather, I remember me tell you the girl did have a policeman.
She did have a policeman? She did there with the policeman?
Yes.
But so the youth where she breed for was different from the policeman?
Yes.
And him did tired and whatever, I never the policeman?
No, I never
him did have all of the sickness. The Bonaman. Yes. So the Bonaman breeder and thing. Yes. So when it bust out, what, she and the policeman mash up?
He married her.
Oh, the Bonaman married her?
No, the policeman married her.
What, and the policeman married her?
Mm-hmm.
So, well, and him did marry her with the belly or after the baby forward?
After. He accept everything and done.
Oh, okay.
Everything I sign over and I feel name. And then the banana, I said, I want my child.
Well on. The policeman knows she never film you?
Yes. She said she hide the gun and knife them and everything in her house and make sure that nobody was sharp and confess.
Oh, she hide the gun and then something and make sure that nothing ever in the house was sharp and she hide him gun and then she confess to him.
She confess with a clear she knows that she can't exit.
So if anything she can run and go stab her and kill her or shoot her. And then after she confess and thing, them balance out them thing and stay together, right?
Right, but no, they separate.
Them separate, no, but at the time him did So well, the baby, they come with the policeman name or the bonner man name?
The policeman decide if he just take responsibility because you know he can't go make him friend.
So well, so the baby a theme name and thing and married and them something they don't.
But then
you know, say I don't know what Jamaican law is like, you know, but you know, say up here, so you know, say
I'm the legal.
Hold on. We have to go Lego because we leave 12 o'clock. You know, say up here, even though the bonnerman knows say inbreed, you see from them get married and the policeman take on the pitney name and then married and whatever. Up here, so you know the bonnerman can't get rights to the pitney, you know. In general, it differs from state to state, but in general, the bonnerman can't go near the pitney, you know, by law.
That's a foolishness.
I think that is just, can you imagine? You want to be the responsible father, and the court are going to say, in the best interest of the child, for a stable home, and give it that when the child is born, is this man name, go up on the pitney thing, and this is the husband of the mother, and blah, 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 blah. This is the father of the child, per the order of the court.
Okay.
Yeah, I saw the thing juggle up here. Bonnerman now no talk. You have one artist right now, one big artist of Jamaica. Him a the father for a certain picnic, and he can't go near the picnic up here. Because of that. But anyway, we have to...
Mr. Speaker, who come hear the story that is for another time. A big.
No. Everybody know who because it out in the public, you know. So don't call him name though or whatever. I just say.
Me no think of the one them. Me think of the one. Anyway, move on.
Yeah.
I'm more than one of them.
All right then. All right. Blessings and respect. Right. Yeah, man, cool.
Aye.
People, me just want just a big respect to the item and thing. It was fun tonight, as it usually is. Big up on yourself and thing. Do remember, Ragashanti TV, that's my YouTube channel. I actually have two, Ragashanti TV and TamFam TV. Ragashanti TV and TamFam TV. I want you to go to them two YouTube channels and just click subscribe and you're going to see one bell there. Click the bell too, right? Click subscribe and click the bell. The bell is for notifications. Anytime I do anything crazy over there, the page will tell you one thing. But you have to give the page permission for make you know. Some of us want to do that to them. Two YouTube channels, especially the one named Ragashanti TV. Okay, over YouTube. I remember a free something. Not because it's a subscribe, and I don't know where you have to pay for. So one named Ragashanti TV, and the next one named TamFam TV. Again, one named Ragashanti TV, and the next one named TamFam TV. Make sure you subscribe to them two channels. And also click the bell. Each channel have a bell over there. Click the bell for notifications. On Ragashanti TV on Thursdays at 1 p.m., we have a show named Free Up, the realest Jamaican talk show. Hosted by yours truly, me, Ragashanti. Right? At 1 p.m. in the afternoon, U.S. Eastern Time. And of course, that is 12 noon Jamaica time. And the time different other places to see. So you can tune in for that too. And thing. It's live. And we have a lot of fun. Ragashanti style. TamFam style. See? So the thing said. So we just invite you to come just be part of TamFam and enjoy those experiences and thing. Again, Ragashanti TV. That's a channel. Again, home of Free Up, the realest Jamaican talk show on Thursdays. 1 p.m. U.S. Eastern Time, U.S. Canada Eastern Time, or 12 noon Jamaica time. Subscribe to that channel, Ragashanti TV. Also subscribe to TamFam TV and click the bell on each channel. All right? Bless up on yourself, people, and thing. And do remember, said I'm here on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. This Monday coming, we're going to run a repeat. Sometimes I don't like when I don't come and don't inform you. So we're going to run a repeat because I have some exams to do for something. So I'll be taking exams this Monday. Those are important. I have to do those. Else I won't be able to feed my family, my kids, my 3 beautiful kids. So I have some exams on Monday. So I'm going to run a repeat. I want to say a big thank you to RJ, for work tonight and thing and whatever. Big up yourself, RJ. RJ, you're my brother. Anybody trouble you tell me, RJ. Anybody trouble you. Who we can't deal with, we have the links, right? Raga, the good warrior man and whatever, right? And we, if you know them, look to a drop off and all them something there. We skill like that. Don't play with it. Take care of yourself, people, and thing and whatever. DJ Rai, big up yourself, you know. Ratings and respect and thing. Seal up. Dub Master and the whole IrieJam family, big up. Bridge Nation, large up on yourself, everything is everything. Rory, Stone Love, big up yourself, you know. All right? Ratings, lock up and seal up. Bridge Nation, large up. All TamFamers, big up on yourself, Tambourine family and thing. All of my New York people, them and thing, big up on yourself. I saw with there, I saw Raga live and thing. I saw the family there with certain things and whatever. New Yorkers, large up on yourself. Safety and protection out on the road there. And we just want the place finally get warm up and thing. People line up on themselves. We're going to have a wonderful summer. Telling you, this summer is going to be a memorable summer. I don't know why. But some things are going to happen this summer. We're going to make this summer unforgettable. I'm out of here and think people, be safe. Take care of you and yours. Blessings.
The Bridge 99 FM, keeping the Caribbean connected.